morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. It's Friday, TGIF people. Last day of the week to turn it into a green week if you've had a red week, or to stay green if it's already been a green week for you. Last trading day of the week. How's everyone doing? April 24th. Yeah, we are almost at the end of April. Time is just flying this year. What the hell? But you know what? We've had momentum already in the markets. We have had a drop overnight. Looking at the Asia session, bit of a pullback. We had new all-time highs made yesterday. Price is moving, and we like this. We do like volatile markets. Things are still looking shaky. We say this every day. We still have no idea where we head in terms of this geopolitical environment right now. But all I know is that we have the NASDAQ, and we are able to trade her in whatever geopolitical environment we're in. As long as we can try catch a trade in there, that's all we're trying to do, make money. And hey, yesterday was one of those money-making days. So W's to any of those who were in the shorts with me yesterday. That played out nicely. Today's a new day, so let's hopefully get some banger trades in there. And of course, Nick will be joining me. Yes, Nick Tater will be on with me in an hour from now. So you have me for the first solo hour, and then Nick and I will take you through till 5 a.m. UK time. Sorry, 10 a.m. UK time, 5 a.m. Eastern as usual. But let me first see, who do we have? First of all, Leah, I saw your comment in there. I'm very jealous you're on your way to Florence. Beautiful city, Florence. I was there a couple years ago when I was on holiday in Italy. But definitely check out Florence Market. That is my my hot tip on Florence. It's amazing food there. All right, who do we have? 1DA7BB, good morning. Who else? Good morning, Leah, of course. Good morning, Heinz Steak. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Atabek. Make sure, guys, you just say what's up really quick in the chat, and so I can give you a quick shout out. Good morning. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Coffee Bean, Shen Long, Jeets. Good morning, Justine. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Life is Good. Good morning, Wolf Pups. Good morning, Vietnam Shell Shocked. Good morning, Futures Ascend. Good morning, I Trade for Living. We got a few of you in here, nice and early, right on time. Frankfurt Open now has just literally opened, so we are about to kick off the session here. Let's everyone lock in. It's Friday. Let's get those profits. Let's have a green Friday end of the week and go into the weekend happy. How about that? That sounds good. All right, so this is the daily NASDAQ chart. As usual, I will break this down and tell you what I'm looking at, what I'm wanting to see in the charts today. And then, as usual, you guys can let me know what you're looking at and how you guys are trading this and what your plans are. So right now, looking at the daily, yes, another all-time high was made yesterday on NQ. That level is sitting at previous day high, 27,155. So that is definitely a key level to the upside. We are very close to that level at the moment, roughly like 50 points away from making a new all-time high. So again, very bullish conditions we're in. Also, yesterday's daily candle was a quite expansion. We broke previous day high and previous day low yesterday. So quite a large candle range yesterday for the day. Now, looking at today's candle, we have opened and gone straight up. So open for today is sitting at that price is 26,992, and since the open, you can see that we gapped up and then have just continued to pump from there. Asia did provide a bit of a pullback, but at the moment, looking at this structure on the 1 hour, it looks like Asia was a pullback, and we could potentially be heading higher now to reach into those levels that were left behind, such as Asia high sitting at 27,135, and then we've also got previous day high, like I said, that all-time high, very close there. So I'm keeping an eye on those levels to the upside, potentially as targets that we sweep out and then maybe have a reversal or pullback off there. Keeping in mind, we are in those very bullish conditions. As I say every day, I want to be on the side of longs, like long term. But if I am to take a short, if I do get the setup like I did yesterday, I'm not going to hesitate. But I just don't want to be holding on to those shorts for lower, longer targets, just because I'm definitely trading against the trend here. But I am eyeing off these equal lows that we are yet to get back down into. So I do suspect at some point, I mean, we have FOMC data coming out next week, potentially with such a strong news driver next week coming out, we could get to levels such as these equal lows down here at 26,535 potentially. But at the moment, I'm Yeah, very much looking bullish. For me to get involved today in the longs, though, I'd need to see a sweep of the previous 4-hour low, and maybe a retest of that daily open. That would be a nice actual level to long off for me. But right now, 4 hours just an inside candle. So we haven't gone anywhere. 4-hour did just open. So I'm waiting to hopefully get a pop up. If it does pop up above the previous 4-hour high here, and even potentially sweep out previous daily high, it's probably an even stronger position for me to be in a short there, to be shorting back into this range from the Asia session. So we'll see what we get. As you guys know, I will sit on my hands just like I did yesterday until I get the cleanest trade. It's Friday. I'm not wanting to give back all of the money. There's no worse feeling than ending the week red when you've had a green week and then you have a red Friday. Like, there is no worse feeling in the world. So I will be waiting patiently. Yesterday you did see me take a B+ setup, and that was the setup I lost, and then took an A+ setup and then smashed TP on that. So there is a lesson in that. That was probably because I was a little bit impatient there, sitting through like a couple of hours of trading in the day before, not trading. So then I guess I was, trying to just trade. There was criteria met for that trade. Let's say it wasn't just a gamble trade, but not all conditions were met. So it was B+. But today, A+ only. It's Friday. I will be sizing normal, but just only taking those A+ setups today. But yeah, that is what I'm looking at, guys. I will have a look in the chat. What have I missed? Let me know, of course, if you guys are already in trades. We have a reaction at Asia low at the moment, and we've completely just bought up from sweeping out Asia low. That level for me, Asia low, is sitting at 27,023.25. And since sweeping that level, we have just made a move to the upside from there. So if you guys are in the longs, let me know, or if you're eyeing up shorts. Right now, reacting in a 1-hour bearish gap. I will mark that out. But yeah, previous 4-hour high is that next target. I'm waiting to see how we react there. If we can sweep and maybe pull back from there. But not going to force anything. It's Friday, like I said. All right. What is chat up to today? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Lucifer. Good morning, Week Sweeper. How's Hannah today? Hannah is out of the house, chat. Also, Hannah was the reason my internet was a bit laggy yesterday. So Hannah is now banned from watching the stream while I'm trading because she takes up too much bandwidth. So no more Hannah. Who else have we got? Good morning, Sanity. Morning, Tin Trades. Hello says, hello, live from the air. That's so crazy. Are you planning on trading in the air, Leia? Because I do not recommend. Morning, kids. Happy Friday. That's right. Who doesn't love Friday? Nick makes a good point. No bottom wick on 4-hour and daily. Yes, I do love that our daily candle currently has no bottom wick, especially because it is higher time frame. So that right now seems, yes, very bullish. But if we were to expect the idea of PO3 to occur, like AMD, whatever you guys want to call it, this looks like we've opened. This is your accumulation of orders. Then we've manipulated. We've had quite a strong push to the upside, and then manipulation would be distribution, would be pulling back, making that flipping bearish and making that distribution to the downside. So that would be a nice daily candle sequence that I'd like to see if I was to be in shorts. And I do like also that 4-hour is, well, at the moment 4-hour just did make a bottom wick, so there you go. But daily still yet to flip bearish, so I do like that for the shorts. But I won't be getting involved unless we get that sweep of previous 4-hour high. So let's see. All right, Sanity is currently in a trade long, entered 27,071, looking for 27,101. Nice. Let me just get those levels. So 071 was the entry. 071. Okay, nice. You would have been already in some decent profits. We are getting a pullback here, but we haven't really swept out any key levels at the moment. The only thing I can see where it could be reacting to is that 1-hour bearish gap. But other than that, Asia high still intact. Previous 4-hour high still intact. Indecisive for me. At the moment, we're sort of sitting in the middle of this Asia range, so I don't like to be in trades in this level until we like break through, actually sweep out a high or low of this sort of range. It still looks a bit indecisive for me. Yes, safe travels, Leia. We're so excited for you. That's amazing. Surprise trips are the best. I'm jealous. Leah says, hugs. Now go listen to Celine and unlock Nick. Much love. I know we need you, Leah, we need you to push the chat to do the likes today. While I'm talking about that, likes today, I'm going to set at a very easy 340. There you go. 340 likes. And we'll unlock Nick and we'll do a giveaway. I think that's an easy target. It's Friday. I'm not going to be too tough. Like, I want to give you guys accounts. And yeah, 340 it is. So if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. I will be doing a giveaway with Nick when he joins at 3. Well, if we allow him to join, because if you don't get to 340 likes, then I'm not bringing Nick on. So you guys know the rules. That's how we do it around here. Nick will stay locked up until we get those likes. But I'll need someone to remind me a bit later on of that like count goal, because I'm probably going to forget. But 340, just in case. Inez, good morning. GG Trader from Australia. Hell yeah, that's me. Nick's gamble trade paid off. Wait, I actually was not able to tune into the New York stream last night. I'm still getting used to the hours here in Australia. But did Nick's long end up playing off, guys? Like, did he go over it in New York? Because I did not catch him. I didn't even ask him about that. Let me know. Mr. Emmy says, how long was you in Bali for? Hope you had a good holiday. I was in Bali for a year, so I mean, call it a holiday. Kind of was an extended holiday, but it was fun, really fun. Yeah, had some really great times. Traveled a bit while I was there, but really I was locked in. I was trading. It was good though. I missed the beach. Good evening from San Diego. Hell yeah, we got Americans in the chat. So crazy that you guys are up at those crazy hours trading, or even just not even trading. I think some of you just like lie there and listen to the stream. Like, I appreciate you guys. I love that. Love that you guys tune in from all over the world. So good evening from wherever you guys are. I appreciate all of you tuning in. London Session Gang is strong. Heard you starting a new coin, C-Tater. Any truth? Week Sweeper, you would be the first to know, trust me. Okay? I will let you know about that. But that's a sick idea. Might have to start a meme coin. That's a easy way to make a few milli. Morning, Rahat. Morning, Steve. Congrats on the short yesterday. Thank you. I mean, if yesterday was like, if there was a lesson in any of yesterday's trading from me and Nick, for me, it was the way I handled the loss, the initial loss that I took, and then entered the trade based on the A+ setup, the conditions that I look for when I'm trading, took it with no hesitation, even though I did take that earlier loss. Still was convicted of the direction, so took the same direction, didn't swap, didn't try like change or be like influenced by taking a loss, and took the trade and ran smooth with it. Didn't hesitate. I was in the trade. Didn't try and micromanage. That's one thing. I think a lot of you like try to get in my head and be like, Celine, cut it here, or why don't you break even yet? Like, and the best part is I really make it my trading rule based. So I won't go break even until I hit that 1-to-1 level. And it wasn't until then that you guys would have seen I went break even. So all those rules I put for myself is so that I'm not in the middle of the trade and trying to make too many decisions, because that's when your head can just get way too flustered and you can make bad decisions when you're trying to micromanage. Best thing to do is just put your orders in and trust the process, trust your back test, trust your data, most importantly, and let the trade run. Don't try baby the trade, as some would say. Tony God says, appreciate your time. Love trading. Oh, hell yeah. We love trading. Trading, we are all addicts. Trading at all hours of the day. But gotta be honest, these hours, like this is my second coffee of the day. These hours trading New York session in Melbourne is not. It's not for me, chat. I'm really struggling to stay awake by New York session. So, really hoping I can get back into a proper sleep routine. But it's gonna be tough. It's 11:30 p.m. by the time New York session is here. Sinister Scalper says USD gens low. We're looking for one last winner. That's so funny. Why not? Why not? Amia says, am I watching Celine in delay or is she reading comments from 2 hours ago? Amia, I'm just slow. I'm trying to get through everything. I totally respect that, your conviction on the trade. I know, and what's even harder sometimes, Steve, is like when we're in trades live and we all see the charts in different ways. And some of you might be in longs and then I might be sitting here saying, you know what, I really see this for shorts. And that's just like that's hard. That's sometimes hard to go against a chat. I'll be honest, but like you got to stick to your conviction and your way of trading, your model. And it's the same as when you log online, you see Twitter and you see people in different trades and that can really mess with your mind. But as long as you've done the back testing, you've done the work to put together a model and you have the data with you, then there's no reason to be second guessing your trading. Mexican dance on God, Tradesy is so good for not panicking. I mean, yeah, there is so like Tradesy is one of those platforms that make it so much better as well. But yes, Tradesy is goated. Brian Hastling was yesterday's morning New York session A plus 4 hour flip right before the displacement to the downside. Not gonna lie, I didn't see New York session. I didn't trade it. Couldn't tell you. I'd probably have to go back and look at that. If I get some time later on in the stream, I will go over New York session, but did not actually catch that. Steve, can you discuss a little between fair value gap and inverse fair value gap? Yeah, really simple way to put it is pretty much this, for example, this hourly gap that we're tracking. This is an hourly FVG. This is a fair value gap. So it's still currently open, being respected. We are trading inside of it right now, but it only becomes inversed when it closes above. So right now, this is candle 1, 2, and 3. When this gap gets closed over and price closes higher than candle 1's low, so maybe I'll just draw this. Hold on one second. So candle 1, oh wait. Okay, terrible drawing to begin with. Can you believe that I was going to be doing teaching and I can't even draw in a chart? So candle 1, candle 2, whatever, and candle 3. All right, we'll do circles because that's easier. Candle 2, candle 1. Okay. Now, when price closes above this low, this candle 1's low, the up above here, then we have an inversion for value gap, and this gap gets closed in. And people use that in different ways, but one of the main reasons I use it is to use bias for bias. So if we get a closure above a high time frame gap and that becomes inversed, it tells me bullish bulls are in control and there is bullish momentum. And yeah, there is, especially when there has been a sweep aligned with an inversion like that, liquidity has been taken, and then we get a strong bullish inversion on a higher time frame. That for me is like continuation to the upside, pretty much, to look for a bullish long setup. But yeah, I hope that makes sense. All right. Hey, good afternoon, G for Geo. Schmitzel entered long. All right, a few of you are in longs already. Nice. Lucifer, let's go. Lucifer says he's going to request a payout from Tradeify today and enjoy my weekend. Dude, Lucifer, you're killing it. If my gun was working, let me see. No, still not working. Hold on. Let me just do the manual money gun, Lucifer, because that deserves a freaking money gun. Let's go. Woo! Money Fridays. We love that. Go get your payout, Lucifer, and enjoy that weekend. Now I got cash to pick up. Damn it. It was worth it. Mexican dance early weekend for me. Probably a haircut tomorrow. Nice. Nice. What's everyone doing this weekend, by the way? Anyone doing something exciting? Like once I asked that, and I think it was Jonathan said he was like going skydiving, jumping out of a plane. So is anyone doing anything exciting like that this weekend? Bobby, I stay up to watch you before I go to bed. Love you. Aw, thanks guys. Love that. I love having you here. Make sure, by the way, if you're just tuning in, you're subscribed. That way you can comment in the chat and we can talk. Andrea, data is very important. Yes, yes. Andrea, come on. I can't help my accent. All right now we are still stuck inside H's range here. I really want to see a sweep of either side until I get involved. It could also just be a choppy London session. I mean, it is Friday and we also have no red folder news today. And FOMC coming out next week. So maybe we're holding off. Maybe we're waiting for data to be released next week. Data again, Andrea. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to try predict anything. Gonna take a setup if I see one. No, Southern Boy. The indicator is not can't be used on NinjaTrader, unfortunately. Jello Trading. Originally I'm from Australia. Born in Melbourne. Constantine said NQ to 30k today. That would be insane. I remember when I first started trading, like, I mean, there's probably some of you that have traded way longer than me, but I remember NQ around like the 13,000 price. So to see 30,000 is pretty much like doubled since I started trading. Amir, what is the 1 minute inversion that you use? So when I'm trading, like for my model of trading, it has to just be the most recent 1 minute FPG to be inverted during the first 10 minutes of the 15-minute candle. That's the 1 minute inversion I use, if that makes sense. Split striker Slim, what would be the bearish reaction in that situation? In terms of what, split striker? Like if I think you were maybe talking about when I was explaining about the bullish reaction here in the gap. If we're to respect the midpoint of this gap, so the 50% level, which is this dashed line of this gap, that would be the bearish reaction you want to see. If you want bears to be in control and you want to take a short using this gap, you'd want to see a 50% of this level of this gap respected. And by respected, I mean not closing over, leaving a selling wick like this one that you can see now, and then having a bearish close. And then using some sort of entry signal and model to then enter on a lower time frame, or even if you trade a higher time frame. But yeah, at the moment we are respecting that level. So you could definitely, you know, some people might have models that trade like that, wait for the reaction inside the gap and then trade out of there. I know traders that have models that trade into the gap. So like they would have a model that would, for example, sweep this level here and then take longs into the gap as the draw. But yeah, I like to use it for bias on the higher time frame to tell me what direction I think we could be heading in. Mexican dance. Apparently I'm going to a medicine singing event. Wow, interesting. Steve, oyster farming and skateboarding. Okay, you guys do like different things. Cracker says Anzac Day. Cracker, you must be in Australia. Yes. It is Anzac Day for us tomorrow. G Fujiro, what video games though? You can't just say video games. You gotta let us know. Hamid going hunting. Okay, cool. Interesting. Big 15-minute volume spikes at 26,700. Big boys buying big time. I mean, I would love to see the 30,000 level. I shot it from 95. Oh, some of you guys might be fading each other in the chat today. Got a few of you in longs already. One of you in short. Joini also in short at 90. Libran Swappy, what age did you start trading and how did you come across futures trading? Okay, good question. I started trading when I was, what age? Okay, 2020, end of 2024, I would have been 25. Why did I stutter? In 2024, I would have been 25, so that's when I started. I'm just turned 27 now in February. So this is my second year. In October, November, it'll be like my full third year, if that makes sense. And how did I get into futures? Well, pretty much I did get into Forex like when I first came across trading. Like that was way back in like 2021. I would have been only like 22 when I came across Forex, but I don't ever count that time of my life because I never took it seriously. I like played around in an MT5 account for a few months, traded a little bit of gold and like I don't know, some random Forex pairs, and then I got out of there. So I didn't last long, so I don't really count that. But when I fully got into futures trading, it was much later in 2024. And really just YouTubing. My fiance came across futures and I don't know, prop firm and all that. It all happened all at once. I came across prop firms and futures all at the same time. And I was like, this is a no-brainer. What do you mean? Because when it came to Forex trading, at that time, I had like a live account, and for me, it was a lot about the psychology behind it, why I wasn't able to continue trading live. I just like, for me, it was too much mentally to be risking money. But when I found props, I'm not even saying this, like I was fully hooked because what do you mean I can only spend like $50 and have a 50K account? Like for me, there was such little risk with such big upside. So yes, life changed from that point on. Hi, Celine. London session starts at 3 or 4 a.m. Eastern? London session starts at 3 a.m. Eastern. Win Rider, no trade from here, not for me. I let you guys know in the beginning of this session, I'm looking for a sweep of previous 4-hour high or previous 4-hour low. At the moment, we are looking like we're heading towards previous 4-hour high. And if we do get up there, we have equal highs. This is the 1-minute chart, but we do have relatively equal highs around here, 27,127. So if we can get up there, sweep up above these levels, we've even got Asia high sitting just above there as another potential strong target of liquidity. So if we get up there, then I'd be looking for a short. And I know it's close to all-time highs, but it didn't stop me yesterday. I can't help it. I can't help being a reversal trader. The Ria says I'm playing a pickleball tournament. Nice. Winnie in shorts. Women's NBA Saturday, LA Sparks. Okay, cool. The Ria is also short from 82. All right, nice. Some of you are playing the shorts out of the 1-hour gap. Looks good. We're still in the middle of the Asia range though, so for me, this could go any which way. So I'm staying out of this. Do you use CC fib retracement? I do sometimes use the fib most of the time to find out if we have been in an extended price run. Say for example, there was some time last week where I was just trying to, because we had been in such a strong bullish run, I was trying to see areas of price that we potentially could draw back into. So I used the fib to see the 50% level for that when we are in such a strong bullish run on price. But yeah, I don't really use it in my model day to day or when I'm intraday trading, more just to see 50% of a specific range. 3 years trading, are very knowledgeable for such a short amount of time. Well, Bobby, thank you. But I will say I'm no expert. Like I say that with like the complete truth. I am no expert. There is probably a lot of you that know more than me, which is why every morning I get on here and do my analysis and then throw it to you guys to tell me what you're all looking at, because I understand 2-3 years in the game is not a long time, and there is so much to learn. Honestly, I'm still learning every single day. But yeah, trading is a big world. There is so much knowledge. But yeah. Do you use orb setup at all? Truth is, I will sometimes look at the opening range when looking at gold during the New York session. That's all I'll say on that. Sometimes I do trade a bit of the orb breakout on gold on the 5-minute. So 50-minute range, but trading it off the 5-minute. I do like that on gold, but I don't actually use that on NQ. Not good to trade when prices near VWAP, coin flip. Yeah. And I guess in line with VWAP, we're actually also in the middle of the Asia range. So we haven't really made a move either which way. This was like after we gapped up in the morning today, we also just had a pullback from Asia. So Looks like we potentially could just be continuing to the upside here, and we do have those clean all-time highs as well sitting above there. Potentially we could be drawing to as well. So I'm a bit indecisive. I just want to wait, let price do its thing, and then trade off the sweeps. Yes, Roman is spot on, chat. We need 340 likes to unlock Nick Tater and do a giveaway. So hit the like button. Let me quickly check what we're at. I don't know if we're even close to that at the moment. But thank you, Roman, for the reminder, because I do forget. All right, so there is enough of you. If every single person watching right now goes and hits the like button, then we're there. Then we're already there. Then we can do a giveaway as soon as Nick gets here, which is in pretty much 30 minutes from now. So make sure you go and smash the like button. It also means we unlock Nick, and it means you get the two of us to trade for the full 3-hour session. Otherwise, you're stuck with me for a full 3 hours, and I don't think anyone wants that. And also, I will pretty much not have a voice if it's just me speaking for 3 hours. So go smash it, and we'll do the giveaway, and we'll unlock Nick. Andrea, so true. Trading is a never-ending learning process. I could not have said it better myself. I don't think there'll ever be a day where I could sit here and say I'm an expert. Even like 10 years in, I think there is still so much to... Like, this is just futures trading. Then you got options. Like, it still blows my mind. There is so much to learn. And, yeah. I mean, I love that, though. I love that there is just a never-ending learning cycle in trading, and you can keep developing, keep growing. Celine, did you figure out Nick's strategy from yesterday? No, Kryptonia, I still have not. And if anyone has any guesses, we got to let him know today, because I'm still in the dark on that one. No idea what that guy's on about. But does anyone know if the trade hit? I should really message him, but I have no idea what that guy's trading strategy is these days. I think it's just a bit of a gamble, if you ask me. I think he's straight up gambling. By the way, Chad, this is the second coffee of the day. That's how these Melbourne hours are getting to me. Are you looking for a long or short? At the moment, undecided, because we're indecisive. So right now, it's a 4-hour candle that is really driving my buys for the session. And because we are an inside candle on the 4-hour, for me, that's undecided. So until we sweep either the previous 4 hours high or low, and the previous 4-hour was actually an inside candle also, just looking at that there. So we potentially should be seeing an expansion candle now that was an inside candle. So I would like us to sweep either way and then take a reversal trade off there. Align with the 15-minute, and as long as everything else aligns with my strategy, like I said, I'm only taking A+ setups today. And yeah, we will go from there. So when the market is sort of sitting like this, where yes, we have made a move up that Asia low, but we're now sort of chopping around in the middle of the Asia range, and also an inside candle on the 4-hour right now. I don't like that. I want to see a bit more of an aggressive move to be the manipulation that I usually wait for, and then get into a trade and be the distribution of the move. But we do not want to unlock him. Too cocky. Oh, Steph Dev. Oh no. Can we just get the giveaway without Nick and have you streaming the 3 hours? Rios, I could not do that. I mean, we could, but it would, for like one of the hours, I just would not be able to talk. There's no way I could do 3 hours just talking, me, myself, and I, because there would be no voice left by the last hour. Good morning, Kryptonia. Steph Dev, nice shot on gold. SL to break even and dump a Rooney. All right, yeah, let's have a look at gold. Oh, nope. What is gold doing? Okay, gold sort of looking the similar. We did move down to sweep out Asia low, also previous day low there on gold. Right now, though, also an inside candle on the 4-hour. So until we get that sweep, although it does look like this is a continuation to the downside, lots of bearish price action. This is the 4-hour chart, and since retracing back into this 4-hour gap, this bearish gap here, We heavily respected in this gap, respected that 50% point that I was talking about before. Left that selling week twice, 2 4-hour candles, and then have broken down ever since. So next targets, honestly, would be this swing low on the 4-hour is a strong target. A bit too clean. But yeah, not looking bullish whatsoever on gold right now. So Dumperini, I hope it dumps there for you. All right, what else have we got? He's trading like that to mess with our minds, lol. Kiz, I wouldn't even be surprised. I think he just wants to stress us out. He will do anything to stress us out. But yeah, I am. If anyone finds out, you guys have to let me know, because if he like leaks it in New York stream and I'm not there, you guys need to tell me. Because I seriously can't work it out. And when he said, Celine, out of everyone, you should know, that made it even worse for me. So now I'm like not sleeping. That's why I'm not even able to trade New York, because I can't even sleep through the night. Because of Nick. Because he trades this certain way, guys, and we can't work it out. He's using the moon cycle indicator. What is that? His new nickname should be Nick Exterminator. Stereo says his buys went to all-time highs. No. Like, did he buy the low of the day? I don't even remember. All right, we have to find out when he comes on how his trade went. If he held to all-time highs, then what the hell? That guy's got a good strategy, and we all need to learn it and add it to the portfolio of strategies. Yes, Nick's trade, he'd always take profit. Damn. That guy is just killing it with this gambling. Swing Kings for the giveaways at 7 days, 7 business days. 7 business days. Yep, to wait. Seattle, what's your bias? At the moment, neutral, as you can see. No sweep of the previous 4-hour high or low. Still in the middle of Asia range. So no idea which way this is going. So not trading anything. You wait for it to go back past the 4-hour open price to enter. The only thing I need to wait for, so once, say we get a sweep of previous 4-hour high, as long as that aligns with the sweep of a previous 15 minutes high after that initial 4-hour high sweep, then I'll wait for a move. It doesn't need to come, and when I say wait for a move, I'm waiting for an inversion FVG on the 1-minute chart. So it doesn't need to come back to that 4-hour open price at all. We love you better. Oh, love you guys. But we do need the Nictator. We hate him, but we love him. Can you tell us what you know about the Tradeify Cup? What? Wolf pups? No. I am not. I am sworn to secrecy. What cup? That's what I'm going to say. What cup? That's all. That's all you're getting from me. Celine, are you an NPC? No. No, Seattle, I'm not an NPC. What's the move, long or short? I'm telling you, Seattle, I have no bias in a market like this. Like, I'm not just going to tell you long just because to give you an answer. This is a market that I just have no idea of direction on right now. I can tell you what I'd like to see, but I don't really know what we're going to get. And that's why I'm just waiting, not trying to force anything. And it's Fridays, so we potentially could just get a choppy session today, end of the week. We did have some big moves yesterday. We can see the dump from the New York afternoon session yesterday. So maybe that's all NASDAQ's got for us. Still looking. Oh, Sanity is still in those longs. Hold, Sanity. Come on. You got your stop loss in. You got your TP in now. You just have to hold and wait and hope that it goes up there. Don't give up. The Riaz, it's easy. Just do the reverse of what you do, Celine. What do you mean, the Riaz? So like yesterday's trade, if you did the reverse, you would have been red on the day. Sorry. Oh, to do. That is one of the hardest things for me. And still now, like, I honestly struggle. But the question is, how long did it take for you to get used to holding your trades for long periods of time? A long time. And really, I only started implementing that this year. I used to have to just get in and out of my trades within the 1 to 1R, within 1 to 2R even. Like that was the longest I could hold. And that was maybe like usually around 30 points, 30, 35 points. And that was like enough. And I was done. And I would have strict like 1 to 1, 1 to 2R. But what I was looking at when looking over the data and my trades and reflecting on my my journal, I saw there were so many trades where I was missing out on like so much, leaving money on the table just because I was taking profit earlier, and seeing that there were trades that would run where if I just went break even and let my trades run, I could potentially be taking more out of the market. So only this year I started doing that, and I still implement a profit taking system. So it's not like I'm letting the full trade run. I still have to allow myself to take a little bit off the table. That's just because of my mind and how it is. Like I can't let it just, hold a hour trade without taking anything off the table. So I do take profit at 1 to 1R, and then let the rest run for like a structured target, like a key level low, or for example, like a strong swing low or a high time frame gap, those sort of levels, more based on the structure, not like a fixed R target. Actually says Celine Melbourne Cup. Ha ha ha. What do you mean? That's so random. Greetings from Poland, Robert. Greetings. Greetings from Melbourne. Think you're going to make new all-time highs today? I mean, why not? We've been doing it every day. Why not? Yes, we did have a bearish close yesterday on the daily, but it also was a day that we swept a new all-time high, created a new all-time high, also swept out previous day lows. So we went in both directions. Crazy range day. And so why not today? Shenlong says, lately I've been finding it easy to scalp rather than hold trades. I think like Shenlong, that like doesn't make like it's a good point you make, because in market conditions right now, we sort of are just chopping around in some sessions and not really making the move until New York you get that huge expansion. So if you are trading a London session these days, it does feel like that. Like you're not really getting the full reversal move. You might just be taking like a short-term reversal and then we end up expanding. So if you're not, I feel like lately on the side with the bullish higher time frame trend, then those reversal trades are sort of short-lived and you can't really hold as long as you used to be able to, like earlier on in this year. But yes, I also find the same. Wicksuper, NQ and ES swept both high and low of prior day today. Coin toss. Yeah, exactly how I'm feeling. We could go either which way today. I will just wait, see what we get. Potentially, I'm hoping that we do get up into previous 4-hour high, Asia high. Take a bit of a reversal off there. Just a similar setup to what we took yesterday. And I have every intention for this market to go higher in New York session. So, but yeah, potentially London session, I'm going to bring some volatility. It is 2:40 AM Eastern, so we don't have long until Nick joins us, and London is about to open in 20 minutes. So let me get a quick like count check. At the moment, we're sitting at 195 likes. So I said 340. We can unlock Nick and we can do a giveaway. So make sure, you guys, if you're just joining, there is enough of you here to get to 340 likes. If everyone who is sitting right now and watching me just goes and hits the thumbs up button, we'll get there. We can do a giveaway ASAP. But yeah. What indicator is showing you the previous day high, previous 4-hour high, etc. 1104. Okay, so indicator showing me previous day high levels, daily open levels is this session and key levels. This one is by Script Edge. You can just literally search session and key levels to get that one. It's free and it's really good. I go over this, I think, every day with you guys. I don't know if you're actually trolling right now because someone asks every day for this indicator. This is literally it. If you just search session and key levels, it's the one made by Script Edge. It's got this number here, 366. And yeah, that's the one. And that's the one that prints basically all those key levels for me, the session levels, the previous levels, they're all customizable, and the current levels. So I just look at current day open and previous day high and low. They're the levels I like to look at. But if you look at anything else, you are welcome to customize this indicator. That's why I like it. And yeah, previous 4-hour high is being plotted by my plain trades indicator. Also built by the same developer. But yes, hope that helps. I thought London opens at 2 a.m. Eastern. No, London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern. It's 2:42 a.m. Eastern time right now. 7:42 a.m. UK time right now. Need a bottom wick on the daily. BN Wills, I'm with you. I want to be in the shorts to get that daily bottom wick. Mark my words. I think we make a bottom wick, but then pump. Just saying. Kev says patience. Yep, 100%. Nope. To answer your question, no, Roger. Nope. I don't use a volume indicator. I don't actually use volume or anything like that when I'm trading. Just simply price action. Cameron says, what if I'm not sitting? What? What did I say? I have no idea what the context is there, Cameron. But sure. Wolf Pop says, I was going to buy 5 new 25 goats, but I think I'll wait until Monday so I don't blow them on a Friday. No, Wolf Pops, you got to have more discipline than that, my friend. Come on. Just buy them and have the discipline not to blow them. How about that? But yeah, I mean, as long as you get them on Monday. Killzone starts at 2 a.m., but London is at 3 a.m. Quacker, yes, the actual London Open is 3 a.m. Eastern, but Killzone, I think the London Killzone is 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. potentially. ICT traders correct me. Cameron says, oh, you said we can get to X amount of likes while we're sitting. And Cameron's standing, so clearly we can't. All right. Cameron, feeling a bit smart today. Well, you know what? If we don't get to that amount of likes, then no giveaway. That's all. Whether you're standing, then I can't help that. Because 340 likes is all we need to do to get to that giveaway. So, sorry, Cameron. It was a bad joke. That was a good joke. I'm just slow. Lucifer, just because I'm bored. Celine, what is the indicator which shows a checklist? Go away, Lucifer. You troll. Guys, you can't fool me. You're here every day. Okay, I know your names now. You can't. Bonjour, Jean. Oh, bonjour. Comment ça va? What about the no wick on the 16 open? The 16 o'clock open. The no wick. I mean, yeah, that is the gap up. That is, but that's the daily candle also that we're looking at. So that daily open also shows on the daily candle. That is the exact price that we're talking about having no bottom wick. So I would expect us to get back to daily open, flip bearish and have a distribution through that level. So yeah, that is the same point in price that we're talking about having no wick. How do you buy eval bundles? Just add 5 to the cart, or is there a bundle selection? All of that information is on Tradeify.co. If you just add 5 now, you will get an additional percentage off, 5%, and you'll be able to save extra. So yeah, it's all there. You add 5 to cart, and then you go ahead and purchase. You'll be able to see the breakdown in your cart as well. Content said we can always change our YouTube handle name. Yeah, but I if you do that, then it doesn't help because I start to remember your names and then you start changing them, then we're just gonna have to start from square one again. But I know when Lucifer's in the chat, he's trolling. Don't even try, Lucifer. I'll find you if you change your name. Shenlong. Okay, Shenlong is just saying it'll ask at checkout if you want to bundle when you go to checkout with Tradeify. Gary Celine, can you whisper in the mic like ASMR? Like this. I don't know if this... Some ASMR. I don't know. I don't know if you heard any of that. The business lens in the chat. How you doing? Troy Lowry, please can I have the indicator that has the checklist, please? You can head to the link in my Instagram for that indicator. It's linked to my way of trading, so it waits for all these things to occur before yeah. before showing me a setup. But that bias, for example, is based on the 4-hour because that's how I like to trade. But yeah, there is a link in my Instagram to that indicator. Swarty, Celine, how long did it take you to become profitable? Well, I'm still not at the level where I want to be consistently being profitable in my trading, but it took me 16 months for my first payout. And I still cannot believe 16 months feels like a long time because I know there are people that take their first payout within a few months. So I do understand for some people it is quicker. But I'm still proud of that. 16 months is what it is, but I had a lot of learning to do and I'm still learning. Things like risk management, I'm still working on discipline, not being in trades that aren't A+ setups, things like that. That still impact my trading every single day, but the best thing is I trade live with you guys so you can see me break down my trading and it keeps me honestly more I have to be more, accountable for the way I'm trading because you guys are watching and I have to answer for it. Like, Celine, why are you in that trade? So it actually really helps. It helps to have you guys here and for me to be accountable and have you guys question my trading. But yeah, keeps me focused, keeps me locked in. Morning M&Qs. Rowie, no comment on that, but Tradeify to the moon is what I'm going to say. Bench Boss, good morning. How's it going? It's Friday. I'm going good. I love a good Friday afternoon, going out with some friends tonight that we haven't seen in a good amount of time. Actually, since I've been last in Melbourne, it's been a few months. So it's been good. Been catching up with family. Had a nice surprise dinner last night as well for my engagement and was with family last night. So it's been fun settling back into Melbourne. But I do need to get back into routine with my work, my business, everything yeah, need to get back into the lock-in zone next week because it's just been a crazy week this week catching up with friends and family. GVG says, Celine, I'm at an eval jail. Eval training. I passed another account. Let's go. Wait, hold on, GVG. Let me do a little bit of a quick. Woo! Another celebration in the chat today. You guys are killing it. Passing an eval feels just as good as getting to that payout stage because you're almost there, honestly. So well done for that. Keep it up. Keep the good trading up and you will get to that payout in no time, G4Geo. So keep it up. What are the hours for London session and what are the hours for Asia session? AAHP 414. Okay, so I trade Asia from 8. I'm probably the worst person to ask, but my Asia session goes from 8 p.m. to midnight. And then my London session is the 2 a.m. to 6 a.m., which also includes Frankfurt Open. And then you've got the New York session, which for me is just the 9:30 Stock Exchange Open. And then pretty much all the way to the close. But yeah, you can pretty much, those are kill zone hours that I mentioned before. But if you want to Google what is the actual Tokyo session, you can just get that all from Google. I just trade 8 p.m. to midnight as the Asia session. Are you already in Greece, Rowie? No, I'm not. I'm in Melbourne. How is Hannah? Did you leave her alive? Hannah is good. She's just out of the house now because she was messing with my internet bandwidth yesterday. She's to blame for my bad internet, okay? Because Hannah was mucking around on stream yesterday, and that's why we had a bit of a glitch. Chad Curran, what does your fiance do for work? He also trades. Yeah, fun fact. We are both traders. TF change it looking for shorts. At the moment, no. I still don't like that we're stuck inside Asia's range and we are yet to take out previous borrower high or low. Also, Asia high intact. Also, we have that key level previous day high and all-time high still intact. So I am not convinced of any sort of direction just yet. And that is why if I was in longs or shorts right now, I'd be a little bit worried because there just has been no strong reaction to this middle of the range. We are in a 1 hour bearish gap that I had marked out. So wanting to see how we react in here. In 8 minutes, this 1 hour candle is going to close. And if it does close respecting and closes bearish like this, it does look like we could be potentially getting a move to the downside. probably to take out previous 4-hour low and then maybe make that bottom wick for the daily candle, make that wick, fill in that gap, and then it would be nice to take long all the way up here. And that way we're on the right side of price because high time frame is bullish. So we'll see. I will only react to a sweep of that previous 4-hour high or low level, and until then I'm sitting down, chilling. It's Friday, not gonna force anything. All right, yes, Roman 340. Let's have a look. What are we at? 340 likes, chat. If we don't have 340, because Nick doesn't have a lot of time before I can bring him on. So we are sitting at currently 273 likes. So we only need, hold on, 30, 70 something likes. We only need around like 70 likes, and there is plenty of you watching. So if you're just joining the stream, smash the like button. I'll do a giveaway within the next 10 minutes if we can get to that like count. But until then, nothing. How often do you fade each other while trading? Actually, we don't often. Sometimes we do, but it's sort of like we trade differently, and he's a very much more analytical, technical trader. He understands things that I just will never understand. He comes from like a mathematics background, so everything is numbers. He does like to use volume. He uses key levels like opening range and things like that. But yeah, we tend not to let it get in between us. Long 100% says Arnaud. Well, you can never be 100% about trading, right? Because, I mean, it just doesn't work like that. But yes, if you look at daily time frame, it does look like another potential bullish day would make sense, but we can never know. We can never know. RJV Trade says price action way better this week compared to last week. I mean, yeah, it has been. It's been more of a... It's just been more of a continuation. Like, seriously, if you haven't been in the longs, then what are you doing? Like, that's all I've been seeing. I've been seeing shorts are just the pullbacks and longs are the continuations. And longs have been the trades that have been playing out, especially New York longs. ES has a daily wick already, SMT. Let's have a look at ES. Good point. The only way I ever look at ES is for SMT, but only at the key level. So like right now, previous 4-hour low and high still intact on ES. But yeah, we do have that daily wick on ES, but no SMT for me here. Until we SMT the previous 4-hour high or low, like then it's not really significant for me. But yeah, that previous 4-hour candle, definitely. You can see here the 4-hour candle on ES swept this previous 4 hours low. Where's my... So that candle has obviously swept on ES, and then if you look over to NQ, we failed to sweep that level on NQ. So nice reaction there, and then look at that buying wick that got left behind. So longs would have been nice in there, but no. Current 4 hour still hasn't done anything, still an inside candle, so we still wait and do nothing. Can we get hubby on the stream one day? Potentially, Kiss. I mean, it's up to him. Potentially, if you guys want it. I'm scalping, so that's why I say 100% long for now. Well, then yeah, if you're just a scalper, then 100%. Give us some trade, Celine. I can't force anything right now, chat. I'm not. This is not the stream for that. I mean, go to another channel because this is the discipline London session, okay, around here. Or if we wait for Nick to join, then you can gamble with Nick. But with me, I am not about that gambling life. And whenever I try to gamble just for the entertainment with you guys, it doesn't work in my favor. So I am not going to force anything just for the sake of it, and just going to stay out of it for now. Hey, Archers, what's going on? Chat, I'm going to quickly look at the likes again because it is getting very close to London Open, and that means we are going to get joined by a certain someone. Likes are at 315, so we're close. 340 likes is what we need, and if we get there before Nick comes, then we'll do a giveaway. There is like 500 of you right now, so some of you just being lazy. We need 340, so we're like What are we? 30 likes away. Tudip, if you want to trade now, you go right ahead. Mind that, Dave, where are you at now? Landed in Greece? No, I'm in Melbourne at the moment. I'm in Melbourne for the next 5 to 6 weeks, and then I'm off to Greece. Cortez says, you tell him, Celine, no trades right now, people. It's true. There are no trades right now. I am not forcing anything for you guys. I love you guys, but, you know, your girl has to make money too. If you want to gamble, you can wait for Nick to arrive, and you guys can gamble together. Speaking of gambling and the Dictator to arrive, he has just arrived, and I'm going to quickly check on the like count goal. 336 likes. We are so close. Very, very close here, chat. 4 more likes. Is he worth it? Do we want the Dictator to join us? We are 4. Wait, are we even 4 likes away? 3 likes? Is he worth the 3 likes? Chat, you decide. 338. Okay, is he worth the 2 likes, chat? Do we want the Dictator on today? Let's see how worth it is. Oh. Are we just going to let it sit at 330? Oh, 347. All right, he's very much worth it. I'm not going to play around anymore. It is time to introduce to you guys the whitey wearing hand ever moving GP trading buyer hacking Mewtwo catching steak with ketchup abusing sandboard trolling intro creating KFC hating Five Guys loving paddle playing tennis playing squash playing water guzzling chap banning skydiving shark swimming parkour champion salmon mango sushi loving switch battle winning super slippery sock walking accent king definitely not CPI full porting no prep marathon running Dictator deep sea strategy inventing the one and only Nicholas Wickle. Good morning, Nick.
Hello. Good morning. I have a problem.
Hello.
I have a problem.
Oh no. Oh no.
Why am I worth less likes than yesterday?
Yeah, about that. I said it was Friday. And why not, like, you know, give him an easy one.
I mean,
my bad. All right, fine. Monday you can be worth 390 Monday. 390. Damn. All right. You heard him, chat. The Dictator speaks, so we listen.
Chat, you know the drill. Put a 1 in the chat if you love a good old Friday. Put a 1 in the chat if you love making money. Put a 1 in the chat if you love trading. Put a 1 in the chat if you love the 1 hour Celine solo stream. Put a 1 in the chat if you love Slush Puppy. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your family. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your mom. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your dog. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your cat. And put a 1 in the chat if you think that my trade yesterday made money, which it did. So,
oh my gosh, we have to go over that. So, what did you end up banking? Because I was asking the chat, like, what happened with Nick's trade?
1.6K.
Damn. This strategy, Nick, I'm starting to be very interested in this. Like, I'm convinced you have a strategy, and I'm not going to stop until you let us know. But do you have any levels you're looking at right now, or are you just going to place a trade later on?
It's not random. Like, we still need somebody to guess why I'm doing it. I won't stop until somebody guesses it. You know?
Well, it's not going to be me because I've had my guesses and I've got nothing. No idea. Kiz had a good comment before. She said you do it just to mess with our minds. Nah. And like, Kiz, you're not wrong there.
Nah, that's not it. That's not it. Seattle says, yo, Nick, how much white t-shirts do you have? I said it yesterday. I have 3. So.
Actually, he gave me this one as well. Thanks, Nick.
Yeah, now I have 2. I had 3.
But 1.6K on the day yesterday, higher. I mean, can't argue with that.
It was good. It was good. It was a good day. It was a good day.
It's 100% win rate.
Wasn't some drawdown.
Play it down.
Ended up making money. So it was good. It was good. Marco says snitches get stitches. Nobody gets. Lior, nigga, you're gonna do a pizza giveaway today? Always, man. We always do pizza giveaway. It just needs to land on that, you know? Like when we spin the wheel. Come on, wheel. There we go. We just needs to land on free pizza. Always on here. Always on here. So don't you worry. Don't you worry. All right, let's dive into the charts. Have you taken a trade yet? Not right. Not yet.
No trades. Nope.
Wait, I'm
Um,
reading. I'm
morning,
reading Jean-François' comment. He says, phonetically, dictator in French would sound like dictator, means Nick, you're wrong. Ok, no, pas de problème. Ouais. Bonjour,
all.
bonjour,
I love that.
Jean-François. Ouais. Excusez?
I love the French. I love the French language for that reason, because Nick, you're
Tu dis
wrong.
quoi?
Just sounds right.
Why are you talking like a hater?
Victor.
Why are you hating on
G4G,
me?
G4G is calling you the Nictator, the Dactator. That
The
kind of goes.
dictator? Mais oui. Today for the entire stream we talk like this because I ate a French
Like this?
baguette for breakfast, which is not true, but I
Ooh.
just made it up so I can talk like this.
Avec le poulet.
Le poulet? Ouais. Ouais.
Ulagar.
What?
Where is that?
What are you trying to say?
I remember being in France and having to learn where is the train station. So you say où
Où
est
est
le
le
gare?
gare? Où est le gare?
Le gare. Où est le
Le
gare?
gare, ouais. Are you stupid? You know,
No.
you know, for you French
No.
people out there, for you French people out there, always when I was in school and we had the French lessons, all my French people in the class would go like Nick ta mère.
What the hell?
Jeremy wants me to explain the charts with said accent, no problem. Okay, so today when we had the daily open, we had a little bit of a gap up. So the gap up is on the 5-minute charts. If you take the candle bodies, it's like 48 points. So we had the daily open at 26,992. 992, c'est like 80, 192 weirdest shit ever numbers. So we have our Asia low at 27,016 says way. And then we have the Asia high at 27,135 years. Total range for the day so far from daily open till Asia high is like 144 points. Ouais. So it's not too crazy. Not much happened. Yeah, thank you for your attention.
Pretty good. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, ouais.
Ilham AP says AI translate please. Honestly, my French teachers would be so disappointed in me, but I cannot.
Yeah, I would be disappointed because what you said to Wix Reaper, où est le toilette?
Oh,
that would mean
it's wrong.
Where it's like
what? Où est le toilette?
It's like where is the toilets?
Yeah.
Instead of where are the toilets or where is the toilet? You mixed it. You mixed like singular
okay, so
and
où est le
plural.
toilette?
Le toilette.
Où est le toilette?
La toilette. Is it la toilette or le toilette? I don't even fucking know, man.
Le.
Fuck that, chat. Let's dive into charts and actually make money here, because
hell yeah.
we ain't be speaking French for the rest of this.
You are right now on a 100% win rate, my friend. So how are you going to approach this session? Where are the levels? Are you going to buy just at random? Like, how can we at home follow along, Mr. Dictator?
You shouldn't. You should take your own trades. Do whatever you want to do. Do
well,
not do what I want to do.
There are a few gamblers in here that were forcing me before trying to take a trade. And I said, no, I said, you guys can gamble when the Dictator comes along.
Why? Because I don't gamble.
Yeah, I can't. I'm trying to get it out of him and I can't. I just have no idea what he's trading. But if he gets into a trade, we have
NASDAQ.
Huh? What?
You said that you have no idea what I'm trading. I trade NASDAQ.
Oh, shut up. And he's being smart as well. All right. Going to be a long session here, guys. You sit back, get your coffees wherever you are in the world. Get that caffeine.
Chicken, brother.
Chicken.
No, chicken, no. Not
Kiwi
here.
is
No, no,
full
no,
now.
no, 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 brother.
All right, I need to
No,
translate this.
no, 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 no,
Brother,
no.
yes, brother, yes,
No,
yes.
no. Celine, no. Caught it.
I'm Google translating.
Caught it. Oh my fucking god. Look, if you Google Translate it, it's not going to do anything. You're not going to be able to Google Translate this. Yeah, brother. Chicken says, I came, I conquered, and I left. It's like, it would have been better if you left first. Oh, shit. Get the fuck out of here.
Is it because it's German?
Oh, boy.
Chicken, what is it? Please, fill us in.
Only the Swiss people will understand. And even the Swiss people will have a hard time understanding. It's like that crazy. But I got a more important question, Celine.
Yes.
Where is Hannah Tater? I need her.
No, well, Roman gave me a good pointer yesterday. Hannah Tater was the reason why the internet bandwidth was cutting out yesterday, because she was also on the stream while I was streaming. So she kind of cooked the stream for us all. So Hannah Tater is out of the house. Oh, it is. Oh, it is.
Call her.
No. Actually, at the moment, she's at the gym. She's at work. She's at the gym. Nope.
Fuck, I gotta find her IG or something. Wait.
No, get out.
Wait.
Get out.
I gotta
She's nowhere near the stream.
I gotta message Hannah Tater. We need her. Chat.
We don't need her anywhere near the chat.
Hannah Tater.
We don't want Hannah Tater around, chat. Otherwise, all right, you want Hannah Tater, then you don't get me, because my internet bandwidth apparently can only handle one of us.
That's fine.
Really? All right, chat. Bye. I wish I had the God voice, but I don't.
Yeah, you don't. Shit. Nice job.
No, I can't.
Okay, the problem is I can't find her. Damn it.
Celine, you need a 1 gig internet. I don't know what I got. Also, this isn't my home and it's temporary, so we're not going to have the internet debate again. I'm at my mom's house. She told me, I don't know, the internet modem is right out there, right outside this room. So there should be no problems, but I don't know.
Do I see a GP here on NQ? Do I see a GP here on NQ?
Do you?
Sure do. I sure do. Let's see.
Are we getting a clue? Is this a clue into the way you've been trading the last couple of days?
Nope.
Okay. Damn it.
Begun22 says, Nick explain gold, 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 Nick explain gold. Gold is a metal. It's kind of shiny. It's a soft metal compared to other metals. It's worth a lot. People fight for it. And back in the day when the gold miners were out, the actual people who made money were not the gold miners, but the people who sold shovels.
The shovels.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So is that enough? Or you want to
sell the shovels, boys?
People wear it too, yeah. Rolexes often are made out of gold.
Mm-hmm,
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Marcus says you have to explain it 10 times though. Oh wait, did you promise these guys a giveaway?
Of course we did. Sorry, Chad, I always forget. Let's do the giveaway. I'm always promising giveaways around here.
All right, and then not doing them. Nice. Okay, so chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel. And then you have to fill out the Google form once I send it, but only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. So here you go. Chicken, get the fuck out of here. Why are you still here, man?
Chicken, read my comment.
Well, even he's embarrassed to tell you. He's too embarrassed to tell you what he told me. So
No, come on, chicken. Don't be a chicken.
100%. Yo, what's up, Taco Trader? Haven't seen you in a while, man. Where have you been? Where have you been?
If I win, I'm asking Nick for the Indian accent. Hell yes, Sion, I'm with you.
See, Chicken says, I'd rather not, Celine. He's too embarrassed.
No, that's not good enough.
He's too embarrassed that he dropped it.
No, you've said it now. Now I'm not gonna rest.
See? Nope. I even cringed out myself, he said.
We need explanations now.
No, you really don't, Celine. You really don't.
All right, where's Marv? Where's Marv and Momo?
Yeah, they could probably help, but they haven't seen it, so that's good.
Who is Google Form? Why is Google Form? How is Google Form? When is Google Form? Sanity JL. Ooh, it's close, but that's pretty funny.
Bench Boss says, what's going on, Nick? We missed you on New York session. Felt a little weird. Thanks, man. I was at the hospital for my 5-year check-in because of my tumor that I had in 2014.
All good?
All good. So next time I'm going to go back is in 5 years.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Yippee!
Yippee! All right.
So Rab saying, Celine, you look like the character Varang from the movie Avatar. I've seen this comment. Now I have to look it up. Varang.
Okay, let's see it.
Oh, the scary woman?
Kinda.
What the hell?
Kinda.
Shut the hell up. Let's look what the... I'm sorry. What does a real actress look like? Because they base it off her.
Nah, okay, not so much.
She scared the hell out of me, that movie, just saying. It was terrifying. No, don't agree.
All right, let's run the giveaway. Shall we?
All right, let's do it.
Shall we? Let's see. Oh, Jonathan, you were second in the form. Damn, look at you, man.
He really wants that pizza.
You are on it, sir. All right, copying everybody over into the Google, not into the Google, to the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see. Clicking to spin. Boom. Winner of the first London session giveaway is Mr. Jazz Miner. I think that was the first person to fill out the form, actually.
No.
Yeah,
the luck on that.
Look.
Damn.
First one to fill it out.
That's actually cool.
Let's double check. Only filled it out once. Amazing.
Sick.
Amazing. Type something in the chat, Mr. Jazz Miner.
Cool.
Okay, it's there. It says, oh shit, that's me. So, Mr. Jazz Miner, let's see what you actually win. Gonna put in growth accounts, select accounts, lightning accounts, and we're gonna spin the wheel. Boom. Mr. Jazz Miner, sir, you win. Ooh, a lightning pizza. A lightning pizza. Look at that. This one comes lightning fast, actually. So, Mr. Jazz Miner, you get a free pizza from me, or you can spin the wheel again. So let me know. Would you like a free pizza, or would you like to spin the wheel again?
Jonathan's gonna be so devastated that it wasn't him.
Yeah,
especially because it's Friday.
Jonathan must be pissed. So, Mr. Jazz Miner, you want a free pizza, or you want to spin again? Spin it. I had Blaze Pizza yesterday. All right. Spinning it again. Spinning. That's going to be lightning again. Is it though? Oh, it's merch.
Oh, it's going to be
merch. It is merch. It's $100 merch, and you can select what you want. Look at that. So, Mr. Jazz Miner, I'll give you the choice again. Do you want $100 of free Tradeify merch? Or do you want to spin again? Let me know.
Oh, he said bet, but I don't know.
Nah, that was before though.
Okay.
Let me know.
I mean, you do realize that means you could get like one of these water bottles, definitely a couple t-shirts.
Hell yeah. He says third time though. Okay, that means you don't like Tradeify, so you don't get anything.
Sad. It was a test.
Yep. You failed. I'm kidding. Let's spin it again. Let's spin it again. Here you go. Third time is a charm. Mr. Chaz Miner, you get
drum roll, please.
$100 merch code again. And select what it is. It is meant, man. It is meant to be.
Just take it.
It was meant to be. Oh, man. Okay, I'll spin it again. I know you're going to say spin it again. Spinning it again. Mr. Chaz Miner, you get... Oh, this is lightning. 50K lightning. Hell yeah.
Wow. All right. There you go.
Okay. Lightning account. Fire. So, Mr. Chaz Miner, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you actually use for your Tradeify login, because if it's not, we will not be able to send you your 50K lightning funded account. Congrats. You will receive that in the next 7 days. Do not ask us about it before 7 days have passed. And yeah, congrats. Fire.
Fire, but I mean, Tradeify merch? I'm still like, I think I would have still taken the merch.
Yeah, that's but he said, whoa, I'm going to buy it with payout money. So that's fair.
Oh, okay. Smart. That's even smarter than me. So
speaking of payout money, let's actually look at payout junction really quick. I haven't looked in a while.
Segue there. I think we're definitely second. Oh, are we number one?
No, not in total. Almost though. Number two now.
Yeah, second in total.
191 million paid out to traders. Look at that little DJ TikTok edit. Boop, 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 boop. 191 is crazy. In the last 30 days, we've paid out 23.6 million. That is number one spot by far.
Yeah, crazy, no one's coming for that top place. So if you're not trading with Tradeify, what are you doing? Because we are paying out the most around here.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. The Rias, do you guys deliver merch to India? I would think so, yeah.
Yeah, well, I got merch delivered to Bali.
Yeah,
why not
then
India?
Definitely India.
Yeah.
Bada bing, bada bang, bada bing, bing, bong. All right. You see any trades?
I'm just looking at, we are very close to that previous 4-hour high. There's some equal highs there that I'm looking at, potentially getting swept out and then taking a short. Is that level anywhere near your GP level you're looking at? The level previous 4-hour high sitting at 27,121 and the equal highs, or my Asia high is around 27,135. I'm waiting for that sweep.
Hey, also we crossed 87,000 subscribers. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, did we? Oh,
that
yeah.
is beautiful. Beautiful.
Getting closer to the 100,000.
Only 13K more, chat. 13,000 subscribers more, and we're at 6 figures. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Thanks to all you guys.
If we get there before the 1-year anniversary of Tradeify TV, would be unreal. So go and tell everyone you know to subscribe to Tradeify TV. Your neighbors, your grandmas, because we got our 1 year coming up. If we hit 100K just before that, or like on the day even, May 22nd, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. Less than a month.
In a month?
Next like target, 625. So if we hit 625 likes, we're going to do another giveaway. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Yeah, now Lucifer, Hannah Tater actually got 5.5 million in payouts after yesterday's trade.
Yeah, that's why she's right now. It's 5:20 and she's at work. That's why. Sure. Roman, let me win a giveaway and we talk.
G for Geo. Hell yeah, man. You passed today. Fire. In little addition to your comment of what Chicken says, Chicken wouldn't be able to type in the chat if he weren't subscribed already, so there's nothing to talk about. Thanks for your sub, brother.
Brother, we can talk, Chicken. If you let me know what you said before, we can talk. You know, I'm in charge of giveaway.
You do not want to know.
Why? I didn't get it. Now I want to know even more.
No, you don't. Kiss says, "Hi Nick, how are you today? I'm stuck in traffic behind the Lambo." The real question, Kiss, is why are you not in the Lambo?
Ooh. I didn't realize you were driving behind me, Kiz.
Also, did you guys see that video of the truck driving over the Lambo? Because the woman who was driving the truck did not see the Lambo because it was too low. So dumb.
Wait, no, I actually didn't.
No, for real.
That's kind of sad.
For real. Look. Wait. Let's see if I can find it. Truck over Lambo. Let's see.
No
This
way.
one.
Oh
Bro,
my god.
like, how?
Literally does not want me. Like, that doesn't make me want to be in a Lambo ever.
The Lambo, I mean, it survived. The guy had no injuries or anything, so.
Oh
all
my
good.
god.
Yeah, how can you be so dumb? I don't know.
Crazy.
I don't know. Kiss says, not in the Lambo yet. One day soon. Hell yeah. I believe in you, Kiss.
Kiz, I better see you in London in that Lambo.
Yeah, hell yeah.
And take me for a spin. Yeah, Elizabeth, the Lambo, that's so sad. The poor guy's car. Mabine, EURUSD 15-minute. We don't trade EURUSD. Wrong channel. We're trading futures indices. NQ, ES, gold, all the good stuff. Yeah, Cracker, good point. If I was to buy a Lambo, I would make it bright. That would actually be a good idea. Random Bite Daily says, my first time trading London session, y'all usually like it more than NY. I actually do. Lately, I have been trading much more London session and just like skipping NY session because London session has been giving the gains and London session is just fun. It's fun to hang out. So, I mean, love that you're first time here. Hope you join us every London session because we make it fun, but we also trade and take it seriously when we need to. But
oh yeah. That's true.
Now,
Pete said, what is the point from this life? Nothing like trading stuff. What do you mean? Like, if there's no trades to take, what should we do? Just take a random trade? I mean, I can.
Oh no, it's starting, chat.
I could.
I'm here for 25 minutes and he's already talking about taking a random trade. I'm not here for it. I don't agree to this, but like, Pete's, it's people like you that make people like Nick get way too convinced about just taking random gambling trades. Don't encourage him.
I would never gamble. Ever.
But if Pete tells you to enter a trade, are you entering?
I mean, he's complaining about us not trading, so we might have to give him what he wants.
I'm scared. Black Horse Slim, what's the secret behind your facial glow? Thank you. The secret is Bali, I think. Oh, Roman for the close-up. Thanks, Roman. I think lighting, really. To give the honest truth, there is a key light right above me here, and I think that's giving me the glow. Stop, swing low, TP highs. Thank you, and you are welcome.
That's a great RR, man. That would be let's see. That would be a nice little nice little 0.25. That's 0.24 RR. Should we take that? Joker?
Joker is Joker.
Oh, sorry, chicken.
Edwin, guys, do you analyze the market or just...
The footlet chicken.
You are too late already, he says.
Okay, then I won't. I would have.
Adwin says, guys, do you analyze the market or just waffle rubbish and shout? First of all, I don't know who's shouting around here. You might need to put your volume down because I'm definitely not shouting and Nick isn't either. But secondly, we have gone over our analysis. Maybe you were late to the stream, but I am definitely looking for a sweep of previous 4-hour high or low. Waiting for a sweeper reaction at potentially Asia high here because we are so close to it now. And then taking a reversal off there if I get my signal. But this is trading. Half the time it is just sitting back and doing nothing. And while we're waiting for our setups, we're just talking. So yeah.
The thing is, Andre the Giant is asking a legit question. Where is Roman with his guitar? We're still waiting for that background music.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Roman can maybe next week, Roman, because I'm excited to hear the electric guitar riffing. So maybe next week. Okay, Roman says yes.
Nice. Roy says, hardest part of trading is waiting. Yeah.
DeMarcus Downs. I've already thought of one. Wendy's.
Yeah, for real. You're dumb.
Dum.
Dum, zoom.
I love this community. Excellence from South Africa, Cape Town. Love having you here. Love it.
Yes,
I also love this community. I was saying, if you guys weren't here before, I was saying in the first hour that being here trading live with you guys actually keeps me accountable for my trading. So I love this community just as much because I have to trade live in front of you all, explain why I'm in trades, explain the setup. So it helps me just as much as I hope it helps you guys too. So we love it.
Hell yeah. Lucky Mon 7, you just opened Pandora's box, my friend. Said, what music do you guys enjoy when trading? Oh, you should know. You should know.
It better be what I think it is.
You should know.
I can hear it this time.
Just saying, this is the 10-hour version, so we're good for a while.
That's good. I'm good with that. Oh, you thought you guys were going to get trading today? No, you're getting 9 cat.
You opened
the 10 hours.
That and meow, 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 meow. It's just basically cat music. That's what we listen to.
Yeah, we love cats. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. LeBron Swappy. I'm just gonna place a sell limit at MNQ 27,145 and go to bed. Lol. Good luck with that. I mean, oh, he just deleted that, so I think he's changed his mind potentially.
Yeah. I mean, so far we're 30 minutes into the London session. Just a little reality check, guys. London session so far is 43 points. So. Yeah.
And it is Friday and we have no red folder news today. So be aware, potentially we could have a choppy session. Just a going nowhere sort of session today, but still there is another hour and a half left of the stream. So we could get setups.
Hey, somebody said, let's play Mario Kart.
I can't.
Yeah, that sucks for you.
Straight up, I can't. It's sad. I would love to, but my internet proves otherwise. So
okay,
now
chat.
it's 20 degrees.
Chat, who wants to challenge me in Mario Kart right now?
Let's play Arc Raiders. Nasdaq on steroids.
We're gonna do 4 races. Whoever beats me gets a 25k growth account.
Wait, there's an account up for grabs? That's just quite exciting.
Multiple. Everybody who beats me gets a 25k growth account. And I'm pretty sure there are people in here that are pretty good. So this is easy.
Yeah, she's looking right at you. But anyway, can't verse you right now.
Robert says, Nick, do not do it. We want to trade. I mean, if we're playing Mario Kart, you can still trade. It's not like you can't trade then.
Abhishek, what is the like count for the next target? We said 670. No.
Let's see how many
remember
people
what we
can get
said?
in there. Huh?
What did we say for the next like target, actually?
628.
28, chat. There you go.
Let me see how many people we can get in there. Question, chat. Do you guys have the old Mario Kart or the new one? So wait, 1 second. I gotta pull this up really quick. So do you have Mario Kart 8 Deluxe or Mario Kart World? Like 8 or World? Let me know. Whatever people have more of, we're gonna play.
NASDAQ on steroids. Also, I didn't know there was a new one either. So you're not alone. Mario Kart on the Wii. That's the best Mario Kart with the wheels. That was so much fun.
So lame.
What? The wheels were the best.
Nah. Jonathan in a short here. Nice. Okay. Okay. I see 8 Deluxe, 8 Deluxe, 8 Deluxe. I see one person who has World. Okay. So most people have the 8. TD Garage says I have Mario Kart World, but not the Nintendo Online thing. Then get the Nintendo Online thing.
You can get a free trial or something. It's cheap.
Yeah. Okay, 8 Deluxe, 8 Deluxe. Looks like 8 Deluxe is the one to play. All right.
Wait, so yesterday or the other day when we were looking for people to verse you, no one had 8 Deluxe. Now everyone has 8 Deluxe.
Yeah, that's funny.
Funny.
Let's see. I'm trying to join here really quick with my Switch. Uno secondo. Why is it... What? Why is it mirrored on my end?
What?
That's weird. It's not on stream though, so we're good. Okay, wait. Let me double check. I gotta create an online tournament, and then
I like that idea. I was just going to say, Judas Joe says TGIF takes us back down to 27k ish, which makes a lot of sense. I'm also liking the shorts for that reason, because Daily has a no bottom week right now, and we have a gap up from the Daily Open, so potentially we're going to go fill the gap there. So shorts would be nice.
All right, chat. The room ID is down here. It's GYBJ5. GYBJ5. Use that code to join. We'll start the race if we have 5 people at least. And then whoever beats me gets a 25k growth account. Everybody, not just one person, everybody who beats me gets a 25k growth account.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Whoever is quickest to enter, we are going to give some accounts away today. This is exciting.
Yep.
Guys, I need to see Nick lose. You don't understand.
I might lose. I'm not the best Mario Kart
player. I have
player.
faith in the chat.
I'm not the best Mario Kart player, just better than you.
Mm-hmm. We still haven't versed, so you can't really be saying that, but anyway. Lazo says it's 2026. Who has a Nintendo? What if you have both?
I have both.
I miss my PS5. Bad.
Guys, there is no URL or anything. You have to open Mario Kart 8 on your Switch and then go to online gameplay and then type in the code GYBJ5. That's how you join.
Oh, Kiz. No, quickly. Get the software update and then join. I need you to win, yeah. Kiz.
Wait, aren't you in your car, Kiz? What the heck?
Just still waiting behind the Lambo and just pulled out a Switch. What Why is everyone hating on Nintendo right now? No one has a Switch, Nick? What do you mean?
Yeah. I don't know.
Adwin says, when will you take your short or too busy talking? Adwin, there is no setup yet for me to take a short. So, like...
I'll take
at
it,
the
Adwin,
moment...
if you want me to.
Oh, if you want Nick to take a trade...
I have an account that doesn't have much drawdown left. I'll take it there.
There you go, Adwin. Is that what you
There you
wanted? Nick's taking a trade for you. But for me, in terms of my setup, I need a sweep to happen before I'm convinced
all or
of
nothing.
Yeah.
It's all or nothing.
Remember, we can switch to Nick's charts now because he's in the trade. There we go. There you go, Adwin.
Well, let me move this over so you can see better. I'm lagging now. Too much going on my computer. Ricard Ruiz says Nintendo Switch online membership required. Yes, that's correct. That is correct.
I wonder if people join you from, like, I don't know, Asia, it's going to work. Because for me, it definitely did not work. I wonder. I think the only reason it worked with Leia is because she was so close to you. She's in Sweden.
It's not. It has nothing to do with that.
It does.
No, Celine, no.
What's it to do with?
Your internet connection.
Yeah, because I can't connect. So you're saying I wouldn't be able to play Mario Kart with a friend in Melbourne because of my internet connection?
You would easily be able to join from Melbourne.
Easily. Yes.
If you had a good internet
because we
connection.
live... Yeah, if...
No, but you would easily
away.
be able to join me if you had a good internet connection.
No. No. Cannot. We cannot. It's because we live far away. That's why it's not working. Guys, anyone in Asia or like this side of the globe, Australia even, try join Nick. You won't be able to.
All right.
Nick,
it looks like nobody's joining. Okay, I'll up the stakes. 50k growth account for everybody who beats me. $50k growth account for anybody who beats me in Mario Kart. If you don't know how to join, you gotta take your Switch, open Mario Kart 8, and then go to online gameplay and type in GYBJ5. And then Mine to Dave says, I've started. Hold on. Okay, nice. TD Garage found the Switch. Okay, we're getting people in there.
Okay.
Pepe says, give me 3 minutes. My Nintendo is charging. You can play while charging. What are you talking about?
Oh, Jonathan wants to play next week. He says he's got to get the Switch
do it
off his
again next
daughter.
week if it's a success today. So. Ricard Ruiz says, I could easily beat you. Okay, prove it.
Marcos, I'm not reading that out. Ada.
What is he saying? Marco says, Celine, aren't you glad you are not racing so you don't have to suffer another loss? Also, justice for Hannah. Well, her name is Hannah, but I appreciate the effort. Justice for Hannah, everybody. Justice for Hannah in the chat. Adam, send me a Switch, Nick, so I can play. How about you go buy one?
Oh, straight up.
Isildur says, Nick, will it be a regular thing? We'll buy a Nintendo and train myself for next time. I mean, look, we can do Mario Kart Fridays. Every Friday, we have a Mario Kart race, and whoever beats me gets free accounts.
No, but can we do like just gaming in general? Because I want to play Fall Guys or something fun also. I want to join.
Maybe. Mexican Dan says, you helped me become profitable, Nick. Hey, hell yeah. Fire.
Fall Guys Friday next week. That's what I'm calling it.
James Strait says, done. I'm buying a Switch. Hell yeah. All right, Mario Kart Friday.
Nice, Jonathan. TP2 hit, 1 mini off, 2 left on. Nice trade. Very nice.
Nice. Lior says, Nick, your mistake is that you become the Santa Claus for everyone. I mean, look, Santa Claus, the name, Saint Nicholas, right? So, makes sense.
Yeah.
It's actually the reason. Fun fact: it's actually the reason why my name is Nick. Because I was born on the 6th of December.
That's cool.
Which is Saint.
He really
Nicholas.
is Saint Nick.
Otherwise, my name would have been Niels.
Niels.
Yeah.
All right,
That's
I'm adding that to the intro.
Niels. Fun fact: Niels is the Swedish version of Nick.
Huh.
Leia would
I
know.
didn't know that. Leia's flying at the moment.
Yeah, she's actually flying to Florence, not to Copenhagen. Her wife tricked her.
Yeah. I love that. Exciting times. Parrish finally have an excuse to buy my kids a Nintendo Switch. Well, lucky kids.
Pong, it's Niels Holgersson, not Horgerson.
Hell yeah, Jonathan. Jonathan said that's another payout secured and will be processed. Let's go payout Fridays. Jonathan, we love it. Here is another manual money gun.
A manual money gun.
No, because the batteries I realized got cooked in the money gun during the flight, so I got to go replace these. But
did you take them out and put back in?
No, they're just cooked. Like cooked one of them actually looks crushed.
Like is something coming out? Like liquid?
No liquid, just like a bit of a dent.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that shouldn't do much though. It's just dangerous if liquid's coming out.
Yeah, no liquid. We're good. No lithium here. Let me try that.
Mark Coco says, are you serious about Mario Kart Fridays? I'll buy a Switch and claim it as a tax deduction. Yes, I'm serious. You can, like everybody, we still have not had a single person join yet. That's incredible. You guys can literally get a free 50K growth account if you beat me.
This isn't working. All right, we got it.
Wow.
This does not sound good.
No, it does not sound good.
All right, let's not do that. I'm scared.
All right, I'm upping the stakes again. Whoever joins here and beats me gets a 100K growth account. Come on now.
Damn.
Puppet stacking pape stacking lul says, can you reset the code? It's not letting me join. The code is GYBJ5. It should let you join. Kiz says, oh my god, that sounds like a tractor engine starting. Kiz, is your Switch updated now?
Wild Wolf says, is this browser I want to play? This is on Switch.
Yeah, you gotta play Switch.
This is Mario Deluxe 8. For anyone who's just joining right now, while we're just sitting in this boring London session market, Nick has a lobby open on Mario Kart. If you guys want to join, we're giving away an account if you can beat him.
Not just one. Everybody who joins. Everybody who joins and beats me gets one. Everybody. It's so like that's just such a missed opportunity that Nintendo has here. Like this little. Oh, we got one. We got one.
Yeah.
Who's that? Who are you? Identify yourself. Who are you? Show your ID.
So
sir. Show your ID, sir.
Who is this?
I don't know. Who is it?
Chat, let us know if that's you.
At least 3 players. Oh, it's Leor.
Leor Grossman.
All right. Oh, he says, nah, not for real. Oh, come on. Man. I was excited for a brief moment.
Guys, tell us if it's you. Shakes, FX. How are we going to verify though, Nick? Just thinking.
We'll see their names. We'll see their names in the leaderboard after. And I mean, if we can identify them by the name, then they have to take a picture of their Switch and send it to me on Instagram. All right, we need 2 more.
Come on, you guys. I can't believe we got one even. That's so cool.
Mind to Dave says paying the online fee now, Nick. All right, nice. Pong, no, that can't be because you need the code to join, and a random guy wouldn't have the code. Wickless
Is it
says it's me. Hello. Really? I don't know who I can trust and who I can't trust at this point. Well, Wick Sweeper, wait until I have the crown on again.
No, I don't want to be here for that. Wesley says my gold TP might finally hit after 4. What?
We're talking. Hi, how are you? Doing great. How are you?
Trying to find out who the hell he is. What's your name? How did you get to my planet?
Wait, you were talking about what? Sorry.
Wesley. Who was it? Oh, Wesley's in a gold trade. He said my trade might hit after 4 hours. That's a long time to be in a trade, but I hope. Oh, looks like gold is taking off here, so he must be in the longs. Good luck. Good luck with that.
Okay, we have a couple people who are saying I'm going to be there in a couple of minutes. I'll give you until 9 a.m. UK time, so you have 10 more minutes to join. Then I'm going to start it, even if it's just this one guy and me. I know, Wick Sweeper, I know. Oh, did this just cook my account? Maybe.
Wait, we got another past eval in the chat. Ayana says eval. Gold is blasting past my eval just now. You know what that means? Annual money gun. Nice, guys.
Amir says, can I play FIFA against Celine for 550k lightning accounts? No.
All right, Amir.
No.
All right, settle down. All you guys saw was Celine playing Switch FIFA. You haven't seen Celine Prime playing PS5 FIFA 21.
Wait, you're in Melbourne now. Do you have your PS5 there?
No, I told you I sold it when I left Melbourne.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I won.
Yeah, I could, but then what do I do with it after 5 weeks? I'm not going to take it to Greece. I have every intention to buy one when I'm in Greece, but...
Okay, so in Greece, we're going to do PS5 FIFA battle.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes.
Jonathan, hell yeah, I have a PS5. I never use it, but I have one. Nah, I love Call of Duty. It's fun, but I haven't played it much, and I'm not good at it.
I love Call of Duty. Warzone.
You will probably smoke me in that, Celine.
No, I wasn't good. I just played Warzone. That was fun, but I wasn't good.
And she's gone.
What the?
I could. Oh, your camera disconnected. You're still here. Your internet's fine.
It was the cable. I knocked it with my leg. I'm here.
Nice.
Sorry, that was
nice.
Oops.
Twin Mama, what's the code? It is GYBJ5. GYBJ5.
Jonathan, you play Warzone? Okay, when I get my PlayStation 5 set up and everything, I reckon we have a chat like Warzone game. That would be fun. So many good games. Alina, Nixline, quick question. Copy trading is available for evals too? Yes. Absolutely.
Okay, chat. Join in. Oh, we got a third one.
Hey,
what's up, lady?
That better be Kiss.
That better be Kiss, yeah. Look, we're celebrating. Like, yeah, we got a third one. Woo, woo, woo. Yay, you can celebrate with us now.
Well, you can't sit with us. Kiss, is that you?
It better be. It's not her. Okay. So it's another lady.
All right.
Another lady.
That's it, Amir. It's because I let him win. I'm glad you said it. I didn't want to say it, but you said it.
Yeah.
Amir says, guys, odds are great. Play against Lee. Not because she's bad, but because she's too nice and lets you win.
Excuses.
I mean, he just gets it. Amir, you get it. I really hope, if you're in this, Amir, I hope you beat Nick's ass because he needs it. Someone needs to beat him.
Mind the Dave is the lady. Damn.
Okay.
Oh,
Blaming the kids.
Etwas Nachsicht, bitte. It is actually David. Hey, blue guy. Say something. Press X and then just choose something so we can see your name.
We still don't know who the hell this blue guy is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Blue guy, say something. Oh, NKN200. Okay, who is NKN200?
There's no such person in the chat.
No.
Let's get an update on how we're going, chat, in your trade. So Wesley, long ass trade, 3.5 R TP hit. Let's go. Nice. And James says, locking myself out for the day on my select up 1,000 on each. Let's go. Inching closer to a payout there, James. So chat has been having a good Friday so far. Nick, how's your trade doing?
I don't know. I'm not even looking at it. It's down a little bit. 3 points. It's chopping.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Chopping as in it's just consolidating. Contraction before expansion. I wrote my entry.
Mm-hmm. I'm still waiting for a setup. I don't like this yet. Just waiting. All right.
Wait, chat, let me know who is still trying to join the game, because I want to get it started. But if some people are still trying to join, then I'll let you join.
Oh, there's a guy called TD Garage says, I can't find the way to meet the game room.
Wait, you got to go to Mario Kart 8, then go to online gameplay, choose one player, and then it says like join a room by code. And that's where you put in GYBJ5.
Oh, there are a few people trying to actually join. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 5 or 6 people.
Kiss, where are you? We're waiting for you.
Kiss is like driving right now. I have to put the switch down.
She said she's home. She said she's home.
Yeah, G for Geo, it might be one of those Fridays.
She said
just no trades
next week. Okay, guys, you have 5 more minutes. In 5 minutes, we're gonna start the game, anyways.
Adventures of Mali says, I was $50 away from TP and passing eval during NY session when the flush happened and lost the whole account. Well, can I ask something there? What, like, how, first of all, do you lose a whole account being $50 away from passing? Like, did you not have a stop loss? Because that doesn't make any sense to me. You could have definitely managed your risk a little better there. So that's one thing to correct. If you're $50 away from passing, how much were you risking? Where was your stop? Those sort of questions.
David says like, hooray.
This is so funny.
It is funny.
The two of you just dancing. Position sizing kills accounts. Well, it sounds like, yeah, I mean, he must have just been over risking. Like, how do you lose the entire account in one trade when you're just $50 away from passing? Make it make sense.
Make it make sense.
Oh, there's a guy that said 10 minutes for download. No, we want to see the race now.
Yeah, that's too slow. I'm sorry. Gonna start in 3 minutes. Hey, what's up, Leia? Leia says, guess who's tuning in from a tram in the middle of Florence? Leia, we're doing another Mario Kart race. This time we already got 2 people in. Whoever beats me gets a 100k growth account.
Did you bring the Switch with you, Leia? You could potentially, like, it is a good time whilst you're on the train.
Redemption. Redemption for Leia.
I believe in you, Leia.
Gerard, yes, this is MNQ, Micro Nasdaq. I think Leia is never going to play me again.
Don't blame you, Leia. That was a hard defeat to watch. But I've got to read this out. Adventures of Molly, nope, I do manual stop loss. So what do you mean by manual stop loss? Like while you're in the trade, you're like, you know, thinking about where you want your trade to be liquidated? Like, I don't understand that way of trading. I mean, it probably works for some people, but I don't understand that. And he says the flush was insane, was open P&L 1k up. My friend, you only needed $50 to pass. Why did you let that trade float? Anything more than $50? I have nothing, no words.
Why am I always only dancing with the blue guy?
I know. So mean. I feel sorry for that
opportunity from Nintendo, though. Such a missed opportunity. Like, it would be so fun if you could walk around here and actually control the thing, but it's just all automatic.
Gotta write into Nintendo about that. It's not good.
Yeah.
Why is that just the lady just wants to be on her own, I think.
But it's actually a guy. Makes it even funnier. All right, we're starting in 1 minute. Chat.
All right, let's go, chat.
1 minute.
Let's place bets. I'm placing it on Pink Guy Dave. Dave in the pink.
Pink Guy Dave?
Yeah.
Pink Girl Guy Dave?
Pink Girl Guy Dave. That's my bet. Because pink is just the best color ever.
Mm-hmm,
Chat, what do we think? What do we think?
Leia says, good luck, everybody else. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's so funny because we're having a full-on discussion about stop losses in the chat, and at the same time we're about to get into a Mario Kart battle. So
oh yeah, we're getting started now.
Let's go.
In GP 150, normal comms, 4 races.
Renan starting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. We're just gonna do random. Everybody just choose random, and then we get a random track. Otherwise, there's gonna be rigged allegations. All right, blue guy, come on.
Is Chicken here to see this?
I don't know.
Chicken, you here?
All right. Which random is gonna be randomly picked to do a random race? Let's see. Oh, blue guy's random. Okay.
I really hope this is the moment, chat, we see Nick defeated.
Oh, you guys from Sweden. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Look at that. Oh, that's the cow tracker. No, it's not, actually. Funny.
All right, here we go.
Okay, why is it not starting? Oh, here we go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Fast. Come on now.
Ooh.
Come on now. Drift.
Come on, let's go, Dave. Let's go.
Drift.
My money's on Dave.
Your money's on Dave? Damn it, Celine. You should be backing me up. The heck are you doing?
I need to see you lose.
I can tell that you can't. I can tell that you can't. It's fine though. I'm used to it. That you're
Dave,
not
don't let him get away. Don't let him get away with it.
Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away.
Where's the blue shells? Bring on the blue
fucking
shells.
blue shells. I hate those. Especially if I do not have anything to defend. That's like the worst. It is the worst. The worst. We're drifting. Big drift. Ah, there we go. Big drift. Another big drift. A third big drift. Can we pull this through? No, we can't. Okay, another drift. New one. Boom. Boost. Front flip. Yeah, nice. Okay, clean. Ooh, we got a bomb. Look at that. We got a bomb. Celine, what are the charts doing? You're responsible.
Sorry, yeah.
Talk about the chart.
I'm just, I was just replying to a guy in the chat. No, I'm not in trades yet, chat. I am still waiting for this previous 4-hour high sweep that we've been just very close to, but haven't yet swept out. And this level's also very close to these equal highs on NQ. So I'm waiting for a sweep of around this level, around the 27,127 level, and then before I get into a short. So I'm glad I didn't try to get in around this time when price was making a bit of a drop here, because really, if we zoom out, that is just a pullback in this bullish uptrend that we've been seeing. So yeah, just waiting for a clean setup for me right now. And until then, sitting on my hands doing nothing. As boring as it is what it is.
Who got the ghost, man? Who stole from me here? It's not fair. It's not fair.
It's still in the...
Huh?
I just do not get it. How
King.
I need to spit a mark.
I am the fucking king. I am the fucking king. I am the fucking king. I am the fucking king.
Does that mean you have to...
Look at the distance as well. Huh? I'm getting the crown. Does that mean they give you the crown? I'm getting the crown now. Hell yeah.
Damn it. Oh, there's some volume here.
Nice. What's my trade doing? Oh, it's in profit. Nice. Oh, dude, NKN, you're 8th place. You suck, bro.
What the hell?
Yoshi,
wait, where's
Yoshi
Dave?
Second, though. All right, another random track. Oh, look at that crown. Look at that crown. It is beautiful. It is beautiful.
Come on, Dave, do better. Come on, Dave.
I mean, look, Dave did pretty well. Got 2nd place.
I believe in you, Dave. Hang in there. Don't let him get to your head, guys. That's what I did wrong.
All right. Race 2. Race 2.
Amir says, do you or Nick play 8-ball pool, Celine? We can have a tournament there. Nope. Nope, I do not.
David, you did well, man. 2nd place.
Let's go, David. He's coming for you.
What is this track?
You.
I don't remember this track. Well, whatever. Doesn't matter. It does not matter.
This is Mario Kart 8, right?
Oh, shit. Drifted the wrong direction.
I know this track.
I did drift the wrong direction. I drifted the wrong direction. Hey, who was that? David.
Dave said haven't played for 4 months.
Dog.
He said he hasn't played for 4 months, so he's doing well. He said he had to just learn.
For 4 months either, except
Let's
for
go, Dave. Oh my. Dave,
I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. Whoops. See, that's the power of the flips and the drifts. If you don't...
Go for it. Dave knows what he's... Oh, he fell off the track there.
That wasn't falling. That was fucking decision making.
Oh, he just banged into the wall there.
That's okay.
Bit of a...
Okay.
Oh, missed all the coins there.
That's okay. I'm gonna catch Dave. Wait.
Dave, you got this.
Just wait. If he goes green, I go yellow. I only got 3 coins. That's a bit bad though.
Let's go, Dave. Let's go, Dave.
Ah, dang it. I got zapped.
I love this so much.
I got zapped. Dave's pretty good, not gonna lie. But we got him there. We got him there. Nice. Drifting,
come on, Dave. Come back.
All bounce. Doesn't matter. Oh, dirty Dave.
Yes.
Dirty David.
Good hit. What a shot.
Both
of them back in the front. He's 3rd now, chat. Nick is 3rd.
That's okay.
Never thought I'd see the day.
Boom, bitch. No, not the blue one. Fast. Ah, shit.
They're playing on Nintendo Switch, Adib.
Oh,
by the way, guys,
let me hit
this race is happening. While this race
now
is happening.
NKN in front. Okay, this is very intense. It's very intense.
Go, David, go. Oh, NKN, go.
Oh, I'll blast him off. This one I'll blast off.
Roman, maybe we'll just switch to Nick's charts quickly because he's still in this trade. It's just looking like a chop at the moment.
That's a problem if you don't drift. No, too slow. Oh, the blue shell goes to him, not to me.
No. no. This
Oh,
game
yeah?
is rigged.
Overtaken.
That's so rigged on the last
Okay.
lap too.
And
That is
I
so-
have the blue shell defense. So if the blue shell comes now, I don't give a shit because I can defend myself.
Nah, this is straight up rigged.
Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Who's the goat? I'm the goat. Boom!
That's so rigged. I have nothing
Race
to say to
number 2.
Nintendo or Mario Kart.
Race number 2.
They sent the blue shell while he oh, I can't. How much are you paying Nintendo to just let you win in all these games?
Third race.
Rubbish.
Third race, random. What's my trade doing, Celine? I can't see it.
You're in red.
Oh,
Not bad though.
not much. All right.
No, just a bit of break even.
All right. Adib, yeah, we do have a bet on the game. Whoever beats me gets a 100k growth account for free.
Dave was very close.
The Vario ski slope. That one I don't like.
Jonathan, you got a timeout for that.
What did he say?
Nothing.
He said, "All hail Nick." I know it. Don't even try to lie to me. Jonathan, I love you. You should not have been timed out. Everybody type hashtag Justin for Jonathan in the chat right now.
Go away. I've had enough with the dictatorship around here.
So you're telling me you banning somebody from the chat is not dictatorship?
I'm just trying to bring it back to a democracy around here, please. I banned one person.
This track is actually kind of sick. I don't like it, but it's kind of sick. Can't lie about that. Drifting. Yep, nice. Clean. Clean.
Wait, we have a question from Andre the Giant here. It says, Celine, ask Nick if this is true. In Switzerland, you cannot flush your toilet after 10 p.m.
Not true. It's a lie.
Lies, Andre.
Okay, clean. Right into the water. Front flip that shit. Nice. Clean. Drift. Boom. Drift.
Chicken, what? Chicken says you better when you're moving to Greece, Celine. What?
Boom. Getting the boost. Getting more boost. Nice. Getting all the boosts. Okay. Clean. Front flip. Boom. Nice. Into the forest. Drift. Drift. Other side. Oh, didn't get the boost. Messed it up. It's fine. Backflip. Clean. Okay. Got the fucking flash and the octopus. Front flip. Didn't work. It's okay. Another front flip. Didn't work. That's okay. Come on now.
Oh, Roman, yes, the light count. Well, Nick is.
I can't. Sorry, I can't. Need to focus. Need to ride down the ski slope.
Get it.
Backflip. Nice. Gotta catch this pole. Oh, not into the pole, not into the wall. This is bad. Drifting into the other direction. There we go. Okay. Other direction. Very good. Drifting. Now the. Oh yeah, backflip. Front flip. Handstand. Nice. Clean. Oh, I got zapped. No, not here. We need to boost. Oh, I missed the boost. Damn it. Got the boost. Double power up into the ring thing. Missed it. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Get the money. And drift into the other direction. Very good. Banana for protection. There we go. Boom. And first place. Who's the GOAT? Tell me who's the GOAT. Another one. Third race in a row. Come on now.
Chad, we need to do better as a community. We need to practice. We need to come to these battles much more prepared. What the hell was that?
Just accept the fact that you can't beat me. You can't.
I don't know. It's got to be a game.
Look, even if I get last place in this next race and the other people get first and second, they will not beat me. They will not. Because they get 15 points and they're at 29. I'm at 45. Cooked.
Wait, I got a challenge for you. How about this? Can you stay away from first place for the entire 2 first laps? And then third lap is your lap to go for first place. If you're so good. Yeah.
No, that logically doesn't make any sense. 2 rounds is too long. Oh, somebody drops out. Look at that. Oh no, he's back. Why did you choose the track? Hey, David. That wasn't random. I see what you did there.
Dave is onto you. Can you just at least for the first lap then give a head start? I just want to see.
Not a
I want to
full
see
lap.
if you can.
I'll wait.
Yeah, a
Okay,
full
I'll
lap.
wait.
If
I'll
you
not
can
start.
do it.
I'll wait. Here, I'll wait. Let them go.
Now, if you come back to win this race, I will give it to you, King of Mario Kart. It'll be added to your intro.
All right.
Hold on. We said 1 lap.
Not
You
a
have to stay
full lap.
behind.
Are you feeling crazy?
All right, you have to just stay behind. You can't take first place for the
I
entire
was
first lap.
last place when I started. I waited at the start line. What else do you want me to do?
All right, that should be enough. Let's see, chat. Let's see if he's got what it takes.
Get out of my way, please, sir. No. Oh, there's the first one. Look at that. Look at that. There he is. There he is. I need the double ups. Oh, I didn't get the double ups. That's okay. We're going to go down here. Ah, missed that. That's okay. Gonna get that coin. Front flip out of it. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, that was dirty. Oh, you're my target. Whoa. Okay. But it's very easy. It's
Dave.
like it's very easy to see why they stand no chance because they're not drifting. And that's what I've been telling you. You have no chance if you are not drifting against me. Forget it. Hey, Dave.
Oh, I don't know. Damn it. How did he reclaim second place?
By drifting. I'm telling you.
Jeez. Yeah, maybe we should make it even playing field and just say no drifting.
No, that's just stupid. That's like for people who can't drift because they suck. You're dead. Boom.
Chicken wants mod rights for a millisecond.
Oh, shit.
I know he wants to ban Mandy, but honestly, like I don't even care. Mandy comes into our stream every day because he or she, whether that's a girl or guy. Nick, are you that dude who has it? All right, I'm just gonna. All right, he's out. Yeah, he's out.
Wait, what did you say?
That's a full 24-hour ban. We have to do something about this Mandy person because they're just really just a hater. I don't know. He started bringing up you and your wife. Like that's just disgusting.
The fuck? Okay. Well then, permaban him. What that guy?
Yeah, I did. I think I did. That's a lifetime ban. What a weirdo. He or she, whatever it is. The name is Mandy. So for me, it sounds like a girl's name. But
okay, so I waited at the finish line to start last. I still got first. I'm the fucking king of Mario Kart.
For what? Oh, I said it. I will admit then. You're the king. Mario Kart's your game, Nick. Mario Kart's your game.
And
League,
FIFA.
on the other hand.
And FIFA.
All right.
Look at that. It's not even close. I got 60 points. The second best was David with 41. Like it's not even close.
I said I've updated the intro. Mario Kart King is in there now. Right. You've got it. You've got the title. He started in like last place, chat, and he still came back. Dave, I'm not happy. Not happy.
Oh, look at that crown. Nice, beautiful. It is so beautiful.
Whatever. Roman, can we somehow like unplug the screen?
I'll take it off. Don't worry. Back to charts.
Oh, well, just as you finished, we getting.
Oh, wait, my trade is getting cooked.
Just as you finished, like we started pumping here. Damn. Previous 4-hour high just got tapped. Also, potentially getting a sweep of Asia high. And then I'm going to short this. Whoa.
Okay, so chat. My offer stands. Mario Kart Fridays. Whoever beats me gets free account every Friday.
I'm also down. I feel like Fall Guys would be actually so much fun with the chat.
That would be fun.
I'm down for Fall Guys. But I don't know if we can play. I don't know. Probably not.
The funny thing about this show is I don't know how much drawdown I have on this account.
It is what it is.
Not much. I don't know.
Come on, give us the shorts.
Jonathan, are you back? How long did she ban you?
Oh, Jonathan, I gave like Oh, I hope I didn't give him too long. He actually hasn't come back. I thought I just gave him 10 seconds. Jonathan, you here?
I'm reading Mandy's.
Mandy.
I'm reading
Mandy's
Mandy's comments.
Weirder.
I'm reading them. It's
Like
funny.
in the beginning, I was like laughing back, just like, but then he just got he or she. I still don't know, but
Yeah.
Weirder.
Weird guy.
Comes in every. IG Drip Slinny got in on shorts. Not yet.
Jonathan, be here for me, not for Celine. I'm not gonna hurt your feelings.
Jonathan, I'm still gonna play Call of Duty Warzone with you one day. Don't worry, we can still be friends. But you said all hell Nick. I didn't appreciate that.
Mo, that's not true. Fall Guys is not just luck; it is skill.
I feel like that's my game. I think that I could beat you in. Just saying. I don't know. I actually don't know anymore.
That's what you said about Mario Kart. I mean, so far you watched me destroy 3 Tradeify TV viewers. Like not just like a very, very close win, but absolute destruction.
But for real, have you ever thought about like going esports like in any of these games? Like you're very hard to beat. I have to say that now.
Nah, against esports pros, I would get cooked.
We got to find a game we can beat him at.
I've been playing games since I was in kindergarten, so.
Yeah, so have I, but like it clearly didn't do anything.
Oh man. Mine today says I got home office on Friday, so it's great.
Love that. Easy, Celine. We don't want his head to get too big now. You're right, Crispy. I've given enough compliments for now. I've changed his intro, so he does have that now every day. So
that was nice. That was you stuck to the bet.
It's true. Nick closed the trade and played Mario Kart.
No, enough Mario Kart for today.
This is quite the pump. I mean, there is an SMT right now with ES, so I'm interested in shorting this, but that 5-minute candle is strong. Very strong bullish. The 15-minute has absolutely no bottom wick in sight. So if it comes up to sweep Asia high, I would potentially be taking a short if we get the 1-minute reaction off there. And see if we can play the shorts here.
Also, we only need 90 more likes for a giveaway.
We're very close. Give me a second. I mean, I wish you guys had beaten Nick, because we would have given away multiple accounts then. But Dave, I'm disappointed. But we still will give another account away.
This account, I'm willing to get it torched. It's close. It's close. I'll just hold it for shits and giggles. I just took the short because somebody in the chat told me to take the short. I don't like shorts. I prefer longs, like way more. I love longs. I don't like shorts.
Probably if you had longed where he said to short, you probably would have been like, yeah, up a lot.
I would be up that amount.
Well, yeah, no shit.
Genius.
Getting to that time, Nick.
Beto says, what version of kart are you guys playing? We played Mario Kart 8 just now, but I can also play Deluxe. World, I mean, sorry. Doesn't matter, whatever.
Yeah, Cameron, that's what I'm trying to say. If you had faded Nick, you literally would have won the trade. Yeah. All right, that's an Asia high sweep for me. So I'm waiting for now reaction on the 1 minute. And if I get the inversion, I'll short this.
Almost all-time high. Almost all-time high here. Like literally knocking on it. 2 points away.
Yeah, it's a bit risky here. But why not? Let's see. This would be the trade if this inverts. $15-minute also has no bottom wick right now, so I'm interested.
Either we're gonna torch it or not, so we need to add more. We need to add more.
Invert, invert. All right, no inversion. Nope, it didn't invert on the 1 minute, so no signal, no entry for me.
Let's see, chat.
Paper Stacking says, Celine, remember put stop extra 4 to 5 points above. Yeah, I've been doing that. I have.
Beto says my wife is frustratingly good at Mario Kart. Well, then I want to play your wife.
Well, yeah, put her on. We need anybody. Guys, that goes for all of you. If you know someone who is really good at Mario Kart, next week we need to bring them. Well, we just need them to join the lobby with Nick so we can have someone beat him for once.
Yeah.
I was gonna say we need to bring them on stream, but we probably won't bring them on stream. But you guys just need to join the lobby. Get your kids, whoever it is who's a freak at Mario Kart, we need them.
Yeah, we do.
All right, glad I did not take the short there. We didn't invert anyway, so it wasn't a signal for me, but it looks like we're just gonna go for that all-time high now. And yeah. The bulls are out.
Jose, where do I play Mario Kart? On my Switch. Quacker says my 8-year-old son is pretty good. All right, let's have him play. Let's see if he can win an account here.
This guy Peru goes says, I'm locking in no trading, just training Mario Kart. I think that's a good idea. Guys, be ready for next Friday.
I mean, it can get you a free account.
Mm-hmm. What are we doing, Nasdaq?
Yes, Peter, I do have FIFA. Remember, I played Celine on stream. Twice.
Let's not bring that up.
I wasn't bringing up the result, just like that we played.
Well, that's fine then. I'm potentially going to short this. I'm going to wait to see this candle closure on the 1 minute. Let's see. It's quite a large stop for a London session trade. 35 points? What the hell? All right.
Amir, that depends. That depends if anybody finds out what the reason is. We'll find out, I guess.
Meow, 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 meow.
Do you want the song?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, we need a good pump up song for when we're in winning.
Pump it up. I know, pump it up. Pump it
That's a
up.
good one.
That is a good one, indeed. Indeed.
All right. Shorting near these all-time highs is a little risky.
Well, risky.
But it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm just going to try it. 27.016 for the full target at 4-hour low. 016. Okay. All right. And now we wait.
Now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait.
I like the reaction to the Asia high. Although, like, okay, we came very close to that all-time high, which is making this a little scary to be trading because Nasdaq doesn't like to leave key levels like that untouched. So, yes, a little scary here, but taking the risk on these evals, so that's all good. Gonna see how this goes.
Don't forget to place your stop a little bit higher than you usually would.
I did.
Nice.
I placed it at the all-time highs. But we'll see.
So you placed it like higher than the all-time high?
I'm going to go higher than the all-time highs. We're going to go here. There we go. Give it some room. Wags, who is in a trade, guys? Celine is in a trade. Celine's in a short at all-time highs. What do you know? Celine just marked my TP up there. All right, you faders. I get it. Some of you are fading me right now.
Oh, wait, my trade is back in profit.
Let's go. Wait, we're riding this short together. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
You guys trying to fade us during London session? Hell no. Doesn't work.
Well, maybe it does. We don't know yet. We don't know yet.
We might be cooked.
Guess we'll see.
Damn, that 15-minute candle though looks good for the bears. Look at that wick. Damn.
All right, chat. We're getting closer to the giveaway goal. We are at 572 likes. We need 628 to do a giveaway. 628.
He's asked this in the most polite way. Nick, regarding your trade during the London stream yesterday, would you mind explaining your thoughts behind it and strategy? Many thanks.
Yes. So Hannah Tater, the sister of Selena AI, said she's in the long and I should join her. So I did.
Because that's literally it. I am not lying. I have been asking Nick every day. Like, these trades that he's been taking have been winning. Like, 100% win rate right now. But when I ask him, there is no explanation. And I do not get it. It's straight up gambling the way I see it.
There is an explanation every single time I tell you why, but you just don't feel like it's legit.
Kiss says, haha, I tried. I love the effort there, Kiss, but I don't know. We need to work harder on this.
Wix, we protect the Hannah Tater indicator. And also, Hannah is Hannah. So, right, spell her name right, man.
That's right. He's a professional gambler? I think so. I think so. You thought Spudnik was a gambler? No. He's nothing.
Spuddy is my student. Oh, man.
Is Hannah still banned? Yes. Hannah is banned from live.
Damn it. Dang it. What? 12 back? What? Hannah Forex 6K course? No thanks. What are you talking about, man?
Beato says I do better at gambling than trading.
Frank says, Celine, check with corporate/marketing. There's a reason, because this is not the Nick we're accustomed to.
Frank, like, you're not wrong there. I feel like I need to take this further up.
Maybe.
To talk to them. Should we just call Brett, like wake him up and just ask what the hell is going on here?
I don't know how much he's going to like that, but he can try.
Gotta get to the bottom of it, though. Did you see Spudnik's trade yesterday? Fire? No, what was it? Did he long the open?
What did this Spuddy do again? Where's your target on that?
Just these lows around 27,083. Once we go there, I'm taking a contract off and then break even.
Mine is daily open.
Oh damn! I got another contract at 018, but I mean I'll ride to daily open with you. I'll leave a contract on.
All right.
Let's do it. NQ to the depths of hell.
Nah, not that. Just a daily open. That's enough.
Let's go, Ducky.
Don't need more than that.
Come on, little Ducky.
Trader Tao, please, Nick, can you teach me how to gamble? No, unfortunately, I can't because I don't gamble. But Spotty can.
Spotty loves a gamble.
Oh yeah.
Celine just made 1,300 on that short you called out. I appreciate you. Let's go, Cortez. Let's go. That is what we like to hear. Making 1,300. I mean, for me, I'm trading this on evals, so potentially we pass the account in this trade, but
hey,
we ride.
Hey.
Let's see.
Cambam says Celine is eating that steak tonight. Go girl, slay.
Lee. You said that so good, Nick. I'm a bit concerned for a second.
Well.
Crispy says he needs to hear Natisha's voice again.
Who's that?
Is Natisha around? You don't know who Natisha is?
No.
The other guy that sometimes comes out, you know?
Who is that? Which one?
Yes.
Which one?
Oh wait, I just got ticked away from my TP.
It's all right. We're gonna ride this to daily open. Don't worry.
All right, we ride. We ride, chat. Where is daily open? Hold on. Let me get the little. $9.91. So about 100 points more. All right, let's do it.
What's up, Naftal? 94. Good morning. Morning.
All right, let's see. I reduced risk here because I came like a tick away. The low was 27,083.75. No, sorry, 3 ticks away. But we ride. I think we should still break these lows.
We ride. That's right.
Thank you to the ground.
Not to the ground, Celine. Just a daily open. That's enough. We don't need more.
Yes, we need more.
No, we don't. I mean, we have a target there, so what does more do for us? Nothing.
We could just keep lowering that target.
But then you would rather do it. Then you would rather do it with longs, though, not with shorts.
I like shorts. No, I'm kidding.
But if you just want to just increase the target, then you rather do that with longs instead of shorts. Because with shorts, it can go down 27,092 points from here. Longs, on the other hand, indefinite.
Infinity and beyond.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're right.
That's why longs, I like longs better. Way better.
All right, let's get this TP out of the way. It is Friday. Come on, NQ.
Oh, thanks, Initial Maverick. Now it's going to work out. He said I added a hammer emoji to my chart to help knock the candle down. What? I mean, that's so genius, man. Genius.
I like short when the trend is bullish and long when trend is bearish. That is me. I do like to trade against the high time frame trend these days. That's going to be really annoying though if we just stopped right there. Right.
Like right there?
Like just at those lows here on the 1 minute.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right, yeah, let's add, I'm going to add a magnet. Let's start doing that. Good old magnet.
You actually got to add cookies and milk to your TP.
What?
Because I found out that NASDAQ really likes cookies and milk.
Oh, how the hell do I get cookies and milk? Wait.
Also, chat, we need 28 more likes. 28 more likes and we're going to do another giveaway. Roberto asking, what is the average salary in your country? I have no idea.
Good question. I don't know.
Let's see. Let's see.
Look it up.
Let's go to my screen really quick, Roman. Average salary, Switzerland. Bada bing, bada bong. Okay, so it's the median, not the average. It's fair technically. So the median in Switzerland is 7,024 Swiss francs. Damn it, went up. Okay, 7,024 CHF in USD. That is 8,932 USD. Which, to be fair, I don't know many people who earn that. So, not really. That sounds high. Sounds higher.
Australia is.
Oh, let's go to Celine's screen, Roman.
110,000 annually, which isn't a lot in US.
That is AUD, huh?
I'll tell you, 78,000 US dollars a year. That's average.
How much? Sorry.
That's really right. 78,000 US.
78,000 US. So that is 6,500 a month. So like a third of Switzerland. No, a little bit more than 2/3. Sorry, a little bit more than 2/3.
No, we definitely get paid less in Switzerland, but I think that sounds about right. About 6,000 a month.
Well, news for you, yeah, but Germany isn't really the best place to be, in my opinion. Amir says almost 800 viewers. I remember 300 to 400 viewers in London session a while ago, not long ago. Yeah, man, you guys are crushing those views. It's awesome. Keep showing up. We're giving away more accounts. Easy, fair deal. 3 more likes, and we're actually going to do another giveaway. Just saying.
3, hell yeah, we're almost there. Let's go. We definitely have to make I'll make it much harder on Monday for you guys. For the first giveaway, that is.
The first giveaway, that is. We need 390 to unlock me on Monday. I'm not coming on. Not coming on with less than 390 likes.
Come on, magnet, do your thing. Why isn't the magnet working? Do I need to make it bigger? Is that better?
No, you gotta add cookies and milk.
How do I just add that? I don't get it.
Just go to the emojis and choose the cookie and the milk emoji. I don't know.
You have cookies and milk?
Should have. Yeah, here.
Shut up, Nick. You're trolling.
No, look at my screen. Cookie. And now we need milk. We need some milk. Let's see. Where's the milk? Oh, here. Nice. Boom, cookies and milk. Now it's gonna work.
Wait, you're in Tradeify.
Yeah.
It's different.
But I used to be able to do that on TradingView too. Like, I don't know what you're doing, but...
Well, don't even worry.
Because Tradeify literally has TradingView as a base.
I found it. So
what
good.
Did you do?
Don't worry about that. Here is the cookies. And I'll get the milk. I'm so hungry. Cookies and milk would be delicious right now.
Yeah.
All
Hey,
right,
we hit the
there we
giveaway
go.
goal. We hit the giveaway goal. Let's run it.
Let's go.
Let's run it, chat. Rules: if you want to participate in this giveaway, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the giveaway form, it's a Google form, fill out that form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified, which would obviously suck. Sending the form in a second. One second. Here we go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody.
Cookies and milk for TP1. Come on.
Cookies and milk are working, I tell you.
Roman, I'm close to TP. We might want to switch, but then I'm going to jinx it. So actually, let's just.
Cookies and milk on a white screen is wild work. On a white screen?
Right.
No, Celine. Can't do that.
Cookies and milk. Come on, NQ.
Cookies and milk.
I know you want the cookies and the milk, NQ. Come on. Sitting right there.
Sitting right there for you. All prepped.
Right. All right, now we're like, okay, NQ just really playing here. Come on, 1 point. There we go. Now I can shoot the money gun. TP1 smash.
Oh, fire. W in the chat, everybody. W Celine in the chat.
The money gun needs a bit of a rework there. The batteries are sounding a bit scary, but TP1, we cooked. Now we're going to ride it to Daily Open with Nick, but stops are at break even now.
Nice.
Let's go.
All right. I'm up $500 now. Getting there.
We've secured around 700. We're floating like 1,500 right now. Very close to passing the accounts. Let's go. Change your stop order, Celine. Done. Done.
Dun 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 dun.
Mr. Sandman.
Male says, I still haven't. Oh shit! I hear myself. So then you might want to turn your volume down. Male, I still haven't gotten my account. I won more than a week ago. Should I write support? Let me check. Male, in your YouTube channel description, there is no email address. We can't send you your account without an email address. So you have to add your email address, that is the one that you log into your Tradeify account, to your YouTube channel description, and only then can we send you your account. It's what we say every single time after every giveaway, yet some people still not do it. Wah, wah, wah.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
G for Geo, you caught the short 1,200 for the day on another eval. Let's go.
Mr.
Who else caught the shorts?
Mr. Dorp says, I won on Monday and got nothing. Mr. Dorp, what do we say after every giveaway? You have to give us up to 7 days. Okay, you won Monday, okay? Let's count together. Tuesday, 1. Wednesday, 2. Thursday, 3. Friday, 4. Hey, is 4 more or less than 7? It is less. So wait a little bit more, okay? Dang.
That's painful. 6, 7, Mr. Job. Brazilian Forex. I love Roman. Roman is like,
Roman
with the timing, just spot on.
Roman is a goat.
Wait till you guys hear Roman on the electric guitar next week. Get ready.
Roman, I mean, we're just gonna let him stream for like 2 hours playing the guitar.
For real.
Trader Sue says, Nick, be nice. I'm trying, but sometimes I just can't.
Justin, Roman, I've been dying to hear your deep Russian voice. Well, Roman,
Roman,
you
want to unmute yourself?
want to say a little something to the chat?
He's like, bled.
Блядь.
Tris, good morning. You're like 2 hours, 3 hours too late.
Damn.
Well, hello, people.
Hello. Hello, my
Hello.
brother. How are you doing?
Wait,
I'm
let me
hoping
try.
you enjoyed
Hello.
the show so far.
Hell yeah. You're the goat. Everybody put a W Roman in the chat.
Aye.
W Roman.
Da.
Da, bled.
Bled. Hello.
Hello.
Roman, you're a goat, Roman. You're a goat.
Hello, how are you
You're
doing?
on it.
I gotta practice the Russian accent. It's too good, Roman.
How are you doing in Russian?
Как дела?
Ah, yeah, true. It's как дела.
Not coke dealer, but как дела?
Как дела. Ah, как дела,
Coke
блед.
dealer. Yeah. People can
Bled.
say like a double meaning coke dealer, but no, как дела?
Yeah. Sounds like it.
Vodka.
Sounds like it, yeah, but it's different.
Vodka.
Vodka. Wall. Hello.
Justin says coke dealer. Coke dealer.
Yeah.
That's what I heard, Justin.
Yeah, it is.
Funny. That is funny. Yes, Andre, of course you are from the same country. We know. All right, let's run the giveaway, shall we?
Let's do it.
All right.
Привет.
Giveaway time, chat. We have 777 viewers. That is nice. Oh, that's funny. We have 777 viewers, and look at the first two usernames in the giveaway form. Zero Hero Trading 777 and Georgie Porchy 777. What the heck? What the hell?
Numbers.
For real though. For real. All right. Adding everybody to the form. 1 second.
I feel like one of them has to win now.
Okay. Let's see. Copy, pasting. There we go. Winner of the second giveaway today is
Here we go.
Ren27366. Ren27366. Type something in the chat. Congrats. Yes.
Nice. Let us know you're here, and then we can find out what you win, Ren.
There he is.
Ren says, yo.
All right. Let's see what you win, Ren. It's either a growth, a select, or a lightning funded account, or maybe even a free pizza or merch. Let's see. Let's see. Spinning for you. Ren, you're gonna get. This is close. 50K select account. 50K select account, Ren.
Yeah.
Congrats. And make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. I know, Mala, you said that yours is there, but look, let me show you then. Oh, actually, I closed it already. Dang it. Now I can't find your username anymore. Well, I found it. Okay. So, look. Mala says, my email address is there. I go here into your channel description. No, it's not there. Okay.
Lies.
It's not
Why
there.
are you lying?
Are you lying? So, Ren, add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's the email address that you actually use to log into your Tradeify account. Because if it's not, then we will not be able to send you your free account. Give us up to 7 days to receive that account, and you should be good. What was it? 50K select? Yes, 50K select. All right. Just sharing with our team. 1 second. There we go.
Amazing. Well,
Fire.
Been able to give away 2 accounts potentially next Friday.
We could have gotten
do
a
the Mario
4,
Kart.
but they didn't beat me.
That is true. That is what I'm saying. That next Friday, you guys better put the work in. Start practicing your Mario Kart this week because next Friday, we're not playing around. We will give accounts away if you can beat Nick, and we really need to see that happen. So, as well as trading, we're also going to be battling it out on Mario Kart.
Real.
All right, I got to add the cookies back to my chart because I feel like that's the problem here. Sorry, Nasdaq. Let me give you some more cookies and some milk. There we go. Some cookies and milk.
Yep. We are currently up 20 points. We need about 95 more. 95 more.
Almost there.
Well, it can go fast. We can go fast. We know that.
It can. Shorts tend to do that sometimes. Add a magnet too. All right, we'll add cookies and milk and a magnet, and then that's it. Because what else? What else can we do?
No.
All right, there we go.
Oh wait,
Magnet.
we got Hannotator. What's up, Hannotator? Hell yeah.
For real?
Hannotator in the chat. She says W6.
Hannah, if you're
Be nice. She says W6.
Hannah, if you're at home, you better get off the internet right now. I hope you're using your own mobile data for this, because you're going to corrupt the stream.
Nah, it's fine. She
No,
has priority.
Hannah,
she has
Roman is
priority
going
pass. She's the Hannotator. She has priority pass. Sorry.
She better not be on internet right now. Hannah, if you're on the Wi-Fi, I will kill you.
Damn. Does it?
Kill.
Wow. Celine off, like literally threatening
It's
her
true.
sister, telling her
Live
that
on
she
stream.
will kill her just because she's in the Wi-Fi. Look at that family dynamic. Celine clearly is a dictator, like a real one. You know, like we're always joking, Hannotator, Nicktator, ha 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 ha. But Celine is threatening to kill her sister
Hold on, because
she's
all
on
she
the
has to
same
do-
Wi-Fi. Think about that. That's dictatorship.
she just has to switch to mobile data. She can hang out here, but she has to switch. Get off the
Mobile
Wi-Fi.
daughter.
Use them. It's not me. It's actually Roman. The real dictator here is Roman because
Nah, Roman is the market
Roman's
maker.
gonna kill me.
Roman is the market maker. I'm sorry, Hannotator, that you have to go through
Guys,
this.
don't pretend like you don't fight with your siblings.
I don't.
I'd like to ask your siblings about that. No, troops, it's not that bad. I don't know what's happening to my internet. I have never had issues. Like, for example, gaming and everything like that, trading, never had issues. Like, for some reason, the minute I joined Nick on stream, the bandwidth is just taken up. It's his bullshit. The Wi-Fi can't handle the bullshit.
It's me. Chat, you see
It's
what
true.
she's doing? Now it's me.
Yeah.
Blaming everybody but herself.
Also, you notice how Hannah has disappeared? It's because she knows a place.
No, it's because she's preparing something.
It's like when you're kids and you're getting in the family car to go somewhere, big sister always gets the front seat. You
Not
gotta know your
true.
place.
Not true.
What, you used to get the front seat?
No. My mom.
Oh yeah, that's fair. But then after the parent, it's the big sis.
No. Not really. Judas Joe says, Selena, demand your sister comes on screen to apologize. No, Selena has to apologize. What are you fucking talking about, man? All right.
No.
Nasdaq, come
Good
on.
try,
Get
Judas Joe.
your cookies and milk. Come on, just drop into the milk
know.
wrap. Like, whoop. Then take
I
a
do
nibble of
think
the
there-
cookie like this. Whoop. And then put it in here. Whoop. And then yum.
Come and get your cookies and milk. I do think that if it breaks below these, like, this level here is 27.073, this swing lows and these relatively equal lows on the 1 minute chart, I feel like it goes for that daily open. So let's wait and see. There's nothing really in its way.
Andre knows you have to call shotgun to take the front seat. Duh.
True. Don't worry, Hannah knows. Hannah knows.
Hannah knows what?
If Celine's driving in the car, she gets out the way.
I mean, if you're driving the car, I would get out of the way too.
Oh, driving the car? No. Driving the car, I'm not even gonna like gas myself up and say I'm a good driver because I'm just not. I'm not a good driver. I'll take that.
Fair. Wow, Hannah says, "Oh my god, I was watching the stream like 10 minutes behind. I was so confused." Hannah, no. Hannah Tater, no. No rookie mistake. No. Don't admit.
Hannah, get out of the stream. If you're not on mobile data, I'm not going to say this again. Get off the Wi-Fi. Get off.
No, do not. Let Celine know who's boss. It's clearly you because you're the Hannah Tater, okay? So do not listen to her.
All right, what does she think? Up or down? If Hannah is an indicator, Hannah, what do you think for price right now?
Oh, you mean the Hannah Tater? You mean the Hannah Tater indicator?
Yeah, what did she say? Quick before we get any like solid movement here.
Well, in 50 seconds.
Let's give it a chance.
Let's see what she says.
MNQs, Hannah, unplug the internet after this. Guys, if you want me to go, I'm happy to go. Really. Like, enjoy the last minute with Nick.
Yeah, Andre, that's a great idea. That's a great idea.
Yeah, but then in the same way, I want Nick's siblings up here because I need to talk to them so desperately.
And then you would be talking to people who would speak like this, so that they're like, "Hello, Celine, who are you? Where are you? Hello."
I will learn Swiss. I will learn Swiss German just to speak to them.
Yeah, that's another lie.
No, it's not. Ja, guten Morgen.
That's normal German. That's not Swiss German.
Oh, sorry. Good Morgen.
Stereo says you earn half the trader Hannah is.
Guys, it doesn't even bother me. She literally knows nothing.
So why do we have the Hannah Tater indicator and not
like ask her about training in the gym, ask her about muscle groups, ask her about calories, ask her about anything like that. But ask her about trading, no.
All the same. Calories, NASDAQ, short, fat loss.
Shorting the market is just like being in a cut.
Yeah, kind of. Adding to your position is bulking, you know?
Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at the time?
You got yourself out of that. You got yourself out of that. Damn it, chat. Okay. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love the stream. Put a big fat L in the chat if you hate Celine and me. Put no, that's it. So W or now. We'll be back with another New York session stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, as usual, with our one and only Nick. And then at 9 a.m., Sputnik is going to join with me, the Nicholas Wickolas. And of course, we're going to be back on Monday at 8 a.m. Saying it again. 7 a.m. UK time with the one and only Celine, the goated solo stream Celine. So tune into all these and we'll see you later. Wishing you a happy weekend. Celine, any inspiring words for the weekend?
Guys, it's Friday as usual. Do not be taking any stupid trades. We don't want to be giving away that money, and go enjoy your weekend. It's been a great week here. London session, week 2 of our 3-hour streams, and we have been crushing it. So come back Monday, come back ready to lock in for another great week of trading. And also make sure you get that Mario Kart training in because we are serious about that.
I was just about to say, if you do not have a Switch, get a Switch. And next Friday, I want to see 10 people in that race, okay? At least 10 people. You're all going to get a free account if you beat me, so.
It's true. All right. But yeah, be with you guys 7 a.m. Monday. See you and have a safe and happy weekend.
Peace out.
Peace.